Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to Set of Crypto, one stop source for all crypto and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this is episode 453. We're looking at Ethereum to all-time highs and alts pumping. What is next? Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome, and if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and that bell so you're notified when we go live. If you want to keep on chatting with us, once your stream is done, join us on Discord. Links in the description. So there's a link to our Twitter, man. Thank you all for being here, guys. Yes, let's see who's in the house. Bitcoin Mob.
What's up?
Ultra Decay, second in the house. Jake. May. Yo, yeah, I know. Stream late killed you. You ended up making dinner. I'm sorry about that. I couldn't get some things to work with OBS. I had to reset real quick. You'll drink after 5th? Yeah. All right. Like into the moon. To the moon? Sure, man. To the moon. The moon is farther than the moon. I know. It's like in another galaxy. Craig, thank you for being here. Ultra TK, thanks for being here as well. And Yayo ESPDXB7. Awesome, dude. Emma Starkey and Todd. Thank you for being here, Todd. Daniel, also thank you for being here. Much appreciated, guys. Thank you very much for the support and being here with the likes and everything. Ready's real. What's up? Thank you for being here. Go Ethereum, go. Yeah, let's go Ethereum. What is up, guys? Yo, Rose, Brad, yo. Thanks, man. Thanks for sharing. Thanks for liking. I appreciate y'all. Thanks for being here again, Irisland. Thanks for being here, man. Guy Freak. Whoa, Neo and Vichin. Okay, they're gonna skip the queue, man. I'm gonna celebrate in a second, guys. It's not coming through because I don't have them enabled on this part of the stream. So let's go here. I'll replay it for a second. Thank you very much for the kind donation, man. I really appreciate it. There you go, man.
Neo and V-Chain, please.
Awesome, bro. To you, I'll say.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. What a way to start a night. Thank you very much for that. I really appreciate that, man.
Much.
The hype, dude. Ren? Sure, man. Let's put Ren on the queue. Let me update the list right now so we get the new lineup. And yo, good news tonight, right? I'll show you the good news in a second. What? Neo. And
I think I need the sensory deprivation tank after the last 3 days of crypto.
Yo, dude. American Infidel, thank you very much for that kind donation, and I really appreciate that. You guys are killing me tonight. Legendary, bro. Thank you very much for that, dude. Awesome, dude. Tip cup filled. Yeah, I did it yesterday. By the way, mic's off. You might probably be hearing me better now. I had it way off for some reason. I even forgot to start the lights. I was so freaked out that I couldn't get OBS to work that I didn't even start the lights. Give me one quick second. I'm gonna get the lights turned on and I'll be right back. There we go. There's the lights. I know you guys like them, so there we go, man. I just had your state lobster scallops sushi dinner. Awesome, dude. That is a good dinner. Bring facts. Awesome, dude. Congrats. Yo, crazy, man. It's a good day today for crypto, right? Ethereum to all-time highs. A lot of alts pumping, dude. Markets are doing good. I like that. Yo, the Christmas lights. Yeah, they're here to stay, I guess. They're a permanent fixture until we get better lighting for the stream. So on that note, guys, today we met one of the goals. We got it today. After a lot of consideration and deliberation, I went ahead and purchased this very, very nice chair from Circuit Labs, which is pretty cool. It's the Batman edition. It looks really legit. It's black. I like the color black. I think it's going to look good. Plus, when I'm on calls from office or whatever, it's not going to be like, in your face kind of chair, but, it's nice, stealthy. Looks pretty legit. So we got this chair for the stream. Awesome. It was on sale for $429 from $488.89. So a couple dollars off, which was really good. And it's going to get shipped to my parents' house, and then I gotta get it shipped all the way to Mexico. So that's where the delay is gonna be, and that's where the rest of the money is gonna be. Actually, I gotta pay my dad to help me cross the border, and then package it and put it and post it over here. So I'm gonna see how much that's gonna be, man. Thank you, Montero. I really appreciate it, man. Yeah, I hope I enjoyed as well. I get a lot of feedback from Like Be Her Heart today. And I was chatting with him, and he was telling me about the chair, how much it has lasted him, and things like that. I also went and looked at a lot of reviews. It's like given very good ratings, and apparently they have very few flaws, and I have not found anyone giving them anything bad. So that's pretty cool. Pedro Camacho, thank you for being here, man.
What's up?
Steve says Sweat City. We'll see, man. We'll see. I don't think so, man. We'll see. I hope it's not the case. If not, I'll just put a towel underneath here in the back or something, Eagle, sure, man. Yeah, I'm populating the list. Yo, HB, what's up? Thanks for being here, man. We haven't looked at Ethereum yet. It's actually going to be the fourth coin we'll look at today. Some things, thanks to donations, some coins skip the queue today. Nick, how is it from New Zealand? I'm not sure how is it from New Zealand. It's okay here in Mexico. We need a new improvement target. Yeah, I know. Predetermined Ethereum is going to move. Yeah. Jared Nadal, thanks for being here. Again, everyone, thank you for being here. Let's roll. Let's get the party started. Let's look at market cap. Then we're going to jump onto the coins, Neo and VT. I would love to look at Bitcoin first. Usually because we look at Bitcoin before we look at the other coins. But since we got a nice tip donation, we're actually going to jump and start with Neo and VT. Ren. Yeah, Ren's right on the list. Thank you, Arslan. Anyways, market cap. Still going higher. 1.38 trillion. That is a lot of dough, man. That is a lot of dough. It's just going faster every day, man. Bearish divergence against MACD. I think we're shaking it off against the RSI. We're probably still gonna have it, man. Viral video. How's it going, man?
What's up?
Ramp DeFi. What? Ramp DeFi? Sure, man. Why not? Let's put that on the list. Someone said Matic also. Sorry. I didn't see the Matic first. We'll do Matic and then Ramp. Anyways, let's keep rolling, man. Market cap moving down slightly. I think we might have like gotten rid of this against the MACD. 29.88 and 33. So definitely gotten rid of this against the MACD. Against the RSI, we still have it. Again, potential fraction to the downside. We'll see if it's going to trigger in. Market conditions are extremely bullish for crypto right now. With that said, let's move on and look at Neo. Neo. Neo, again, we're looking for the bearish divergence. We said market conditions are really bullish. We still have them into here. And from here to here, we still probably have it. Very likely. Yep, high to low. But we have that strong bearish divergence still for potential action to the downside. Again, market conditions are extremely bullish, right? Martin Smets, thanks for being here, man. Much appreciated. Make sure I didn't miss anything. There we go. So, again, potential action to the downside. That's what we're looking at for Neo on the daily. Do we have fifths? Yes, we are above the 236 and trying to climb the 382 at $38.05. So right now, sitting at $32.79. So not too bad for Neo. On that note, let's go to the 4-hour chart and see what we have. We're also looking for this bearish divergence. We obviously got rid of it. Again, like we said, market conditions are really bullish. Bearish indicators, bigger chance of not playing out. And that's why they're not playing out. Now, on the short term here, we pulled back a little bit, flagged for like 8 hours or so, and then took another pump. And on this pump, again, we're creating this bearish divergence strong, but same conditions apply, right? It's there, but again, super bullish. And for me, all this would mean right now is set up a stop loss if you're worried about the market going down. With that said, we're overbought at 83.20. Let's go to the 1-hour chart and see what we have there, man. We're looking for the bearish divergence, right? Move down slightly. Obviously didn't play. If we keep on tracking it, that's fine. But what I want to do is shift this from here to here, because now we're developing here on this last bit. And now we're actually going from one island to the next, right? With bigger chance of it playing out and getting potential action to the downside. We're starting to make this new positive momentum island. It's just 3 candles deep. And that is fine. Again, we could keep on building this bearish divergence as it keeps on pumping slightly more. We'll see. Again, possibility of fraction to the downside. That's all we have right now. Again, given market conditions and recent events, right? With crypto pumping, everything going insanely high. Again, right now it's pumping 5.44% a daily. So it's doing really good right now. That's it for Neil. Let's go to VT, man. Ambulances. There we go, man. Bro, Neo stock and Neo coin. All right, both this is going up. Yeah, interesting, man. Interesting fact. I didn't know. Haven't looked at Neo today. There we go. That's it for Neo. Let's go to VT. USD. There we go. Yeah, we're gonna have to determine what's gonna be next. I think it was lighting, headset, and something else. But lighting, I think I put it as a super chat. We already hit that one. Need to determine what lighting we're gonna put in here. Unfortunately, a lot of the RGB lighting for the background seems to be sold out in a lot of places. I'm not sure if it's because of COVID and shortages on production or something's going on there, but everything that I look for lighting, it's like not there, man, right? The LifeX bars are not there. I'm not sure if I want to get the triangles that everyone's been getting. Still gotta determine what kind of lighting we're gonna place in here, but at least what I've been looking at, it's not there, man. Tezos Ethereum Classic. Thank you, Nathan. It's on the list, man. I'm gonna get to it. It's gonna be coin number 10 tonight, right? So it's queued up. Whenever I get to it, we'll check it out and we'll give thoughts. Hello here again, strong bearish divergence, but look at this, man. We're in an uptrend. We're in a major uptrend. We're going to see this support. Maybe I should even use the wicks, man, to get better touch points here. Now, I think even if I use the wicks, we're probably going to still be very good. Look at that. If I use the wicks, right, wicked, and really nice support there. So again, V-chain in an uptrend, sitting at 3.77 right now. Again, not super worried about it, right? Bavu, thank you for being here, man. I appreciate it. Thank you guys for coming tonight. Midwest Side Hustles, AMC. We discussed AMC earlier. I think it might tank a little bit more, man. I'm not super confident in AMC, right? Make a lit marker board really easy. Okay. Firebeard, please contact me on the Discord and let me know how to build such a device. And I'll see if I can get this stuff and make something like that for the background. That could be really cool. So I'm saying my big YouTuber pumped AMC today. I'm not sure how much it pumped. I think it was moving sideways by the time it finished, but we can check it out later on, man. I did a midday. It was still moving sideways. I'm not sure if someone came in to pump it. Doge, it's there, man. It's a coin. Thank you, Turgay Curtilus, for being here, man.
Dude.
Let's keep rolling. Bearish divergence, extra downside. That is it for VET. On daily, low, high, positive, more positive, high to low. We have some strong bearish divergence against the RSI. On the fibs, we're above that 1618, and that's fine. We're tracking up to get higher. And targeting that 2618, and I'll tell you in a second where that target's going to be. But for now, it's doing good. I could probably be shifting fibs here on VeChain, as I believe we could be doing pretty good. What?
Request for Ren already on your K, but other than that, just cause you're a very friendly, cool guy to interact with. Thank you for such a nice attitude.
Yo, Arslan, thank you very much for that, man. I appreciate it. Thanks for kind words.
Legendary. Thank you very much.
There you go, man. Thank you. So I'm gonna move on Ren then. It's gonna go right after VT, right? I'm gonna shift it here also on the list so we can you guys can know and follow along as to where we're at in the projects. Thank you very much for the kind donation, man. I appreciate it. Let's go here and let's go here, man. And to that, let's delete that. And there we go, man. Let's save the new list. Oh my goodness, Bitcoin just getting pushed way back. War's drunk and Seamus. Seamus not here until $50 are achieved on donations. So whenever we get to $50, Seamus will come out. That's the target for Seamus. Anybody looked at Flow? No, I haven't looked at Flow. I don't think I've looked at Flow. Anyways, VT, bearish divergence strong, potential fracture to the downside. Again, market conditions are really bullish, with determining that we're in an uptrend. We'll see, man. XLM USD, sure, man. Yeah, I'm always here, man. Thanks. I actually started 10 minutes late. What? Yo, what the hell?
How about that lighting as a new target? Good trading week. Pay it forward. 0.095000000
Yo, Montero, what the hell, dude?
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man.
Fatality.
Thank you very much.
Fatality.
It's like, all right, that's an awesome donation, man. I really appreciate that, dude. Thank you very much for the awesome Ethereum donation, man. What the hell, man? Yesterday and today has been insane days, bro. That's so freaking crazy, man. Yo, that's so insane, man. Yo, bring out Seamus. All right. We'll bring out Seamus, man. You got it, dude. Seamus coming out early tonight to sit on the shoulder of the streamer. I have to remove this side because Seamus being there, you know, it hits against the headset. It makes really weird noises in my ear. And it also feels like it's falling consistently, so we'll go with this. Yo, thank you very much for that, man. I really appreciate it. Hark around, so thank you for being here, man. I hadn't seen you. Seamus so cute, I know. He be drunken little guy. I'm not even drinking tonight. That donation just made me feel like going grab a beer. It's like, what the hell, man? Oh, so crazy, dude. 2 crazy days in a row, man. Oh, man. So awesome. Thank you very much, Montara, for the kind tip. I really appreciate it, man. Let's keep rolling. I'm going to get distracted again. Again, bearish divergence, actually downside. We don't have it against the MACD, just against the RSI. Overbought at, sorry, not overbought, bought at 63.89. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Nathan, thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. I'll be Seamus. I don't have a leprechaun hat, man, and I don't have a leprechaun outfit. I should get one for a stream, maybe, and then Seamus and I can be like twins. Hello, hi, positive, more positive. We don't have anything bearish here. If anything, we might have created some hidden bullish here. I get assuming a little bit more to get targets, but let's see. I think on the 4-hour we didn't have anything. No, we don't have anything. We're going sideways. Going down, going down. Tell? Sure, man. Thank you, Will Y, for being here. I don't think I missed anything so far. Yo, it's so crazy, man. Let's keep rolling. Higher, positive, higher. I don't have anything here. We're just overbought at 73.59 on the 1-hour chart. Again, doing good. Bearish divergence, potential action downside. We know we're in an uptrend. I drew a support line. I'm actually going to switch this back to blue so we know it's a support, not a kind of divergence or anything like that, right? There we are. On that note, that's it for VT. Let's move on to Ren. Ren. Missing Stimpy there, but we got Ren at least. On the daily for Ren, look, we're looking at bearish divergence way up here, right? And we did pull back down below that 1618. We haven't looked at it since. Yesterday, we did move up, hit that 1618 again, held resistance there at closing, open, found support, right at the 1618 and moving up. That's pretty cool. Again, we have strong bearish divergence still, but I like this move a lot better than this one, right? This one, we knew we could get pullback. We knew it was a possibility. We did pull back all the way to the 20, so we went from all the way up here at 95 cents all the way down here to 65 cents, and then pumped a little bit more, so that's pretty cool, man. BQX, sure, man. To Bitcoin. Okay, cool, man.
To do the buy.
We'll check it out. Curly Zoo, thank you for being here. How's it going? Anyways, we're overbought at 71.61. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, we had this divergence here. It's the same date or times that I lost the drawings in the bottom. So, you know, we had that line going from here to here. And again, with that, we had that hidden bullish divergence. Again, we haven't looked at this in a couple days. I know because there's a line at the top and it's not matched against anything in the bottom. That's how I know that there's something missing, right? We don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. With that, we're getting that move to the upside. Now, are we doing divergence right now? High, low, positive, high, low. Nothing bearish, nothing else bullish. So, and we're really trying to reclaim this top and then maybe more. We'll see what we're going to do by the time we get there. But very likely, we're going to be going from high to a higher high at some point in time and becoming from a positive momentum to less positive momentum or a high on the RSI to a lower point and create strong bearish divergence. So again, just be aware about that. What would you do if I shorted Bitcoin at 48? I wouldn't do anything. I would say, okay, that's what you want to do. That's fine. Ethereum in the short term. We haven't looked at Ethereum, Brandon. I'll check it out in a little bit. Anyways, hello, positive, high low. Bought at 65.13. So nothing else happening here on the 4-hour. On the 1-hour, what do we have for this? Look, last time we looked at this, it's going now too fast. There we go. Zoom in a little bit more. There we go. So low, lower low, right? And we were coming from here to here. So with that, we had that strong bullish divergence. We had it against the MACD, but not against the RSI. And still not for action to the upside. This low, it's higher than this low. So again, failing to get lower than the previous low. Move to the upside. We even talked about potentially being a double bottom. We didn't call it a double bottom, but we looked at it as a double bottom, right? The W shape. Bursting through, right? So again, very nice stuff happening here. On the short term now, we do have strong bearish divergence. Look at this high to a higher high. Right? And on that note, we're coming from positive to less positive, right? Less positive momentum with that. Potential fraction to the downside. We moved down slightly, right? On that strong bearish divergence. It got us to that 1618. And look at how good it's holding, right? It's holding very nice. Reef, sure, man. Alex, what's up? Can anyone comment, give advice? Yesterday signed up with Binance verified account. I'm not sure about that, man. CryptoCat, how's it going? Thanks for being here. The latter birthday boom. What birthday, man? Whose birthday? Is it your birthday? Reef, let's write Reef here, man. Will you buy Ethereum at this moment or wait for further dips? I don't know. You tell me. Will you buy it at this moment or wait for further dips, Christian? But thank you for being here, man. I appreciate it. Thank you for the awesome support and the watch. Again, guys, if you like what we do, hit like the bell and sub. Join us on Discord. Link is in the description. There we go. Aave is pumping again. Great, man. I don't think anyone's requested it so far, so you can put it in the list. I'm going to queue up 88's already there. I was going to queue up 88 because it's not on the list, but someone already put it. Awesome. Bearish divergence, actually downside, right? That's the move we're getting slightly holding support, like we said. Nothing bullish here. Low, high, positive, negative, less, negative, low, high, right? So everything's good so far. Bought at 63.06, man. And that's pretty cool, man. Nathan, is it your birthday, man? That's awesome, dude. Congratulations, bro. Where is this thing here? Happy birthday, man. I hope you had a great one. Thank you for being here and catching the stream with us, man. Aave, sure. Oh, someone said DGB before that. So, DGB. There we go, man. Reef, DGB, and Aave. There we are, man. I think I got all the coins so far. 5 bits. It's also your birthday? Dude, congrats, man. At midnight. I'll say congrats at midnight. I'm not sure what time zone you're in, so I'll say that by midnight. It's about 3 hours, 2 hours and a half. Yeah, Litecoin's already in the list, because it's actually number 4. Not 4, actually. It got pumped down to number 7 now. We'll see. Yeah, we're going to get there. It is on the list. Thank y'all for being here, guys. I appreciate y'all for your kind support and donations, man. Brandon Outdoors, thanks for being here, man. I'm your feet all good time. That's cool, man. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. Thanks for your kind comments, man.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Right now, that's it for Ren, right on the 1 hour. Bearish divergence, moving down, holding support. Very nice. We actually wicked at the 20 and held support there. So double support by closing and opening right at the 1618. And I like that. That could be meaning that we could be aiming for continuation to the upside. I mean, we do have this bearish divergence, but that hold here, it looks bullish for me. And again, we need to get higher than this previous high. Otherwise, you know, it could break down. Like I said, it's looking okay so far. Kaziasa, can we do bat then? Sure, man. Why not? Dude, the list is getting queued up really fast. We only have 1, 2, 3, 4 spots left. That's it for Ren, right? We already looked at it on the 4 hour. We looked at it on the daily as well, right? Bearish divergence. Again, possibility for action downside. We're on a bull market, full on bull market. Bearish indicators, lesser chance of playing out. Keep that in mind. With that said, that's it for Ren. Let's go to Bitcoin. Dude, falling into Bitcoin. Stream started with a lot of requests, which is pretty cool. Trentborn Farms. Yeah, man, I can check it out. Just please put it on the small format that we have here at the State of Crypto and the asset, and I'll queue it up. That's how everyone requests. That's how I queue things up, and that's how I keep chatter from coin requests, and I appreciate that, man. Mamba coming in with an awesome donation, man.
How high will ADA go? Can it crash?
How high will ADA go? Can it crash? Yes, it can crash, man. Everyone can get pulled back out. We'll look at ADA. I'll actually skip it and do it right after Bitcoin, right? So on that note, we'll do this, man.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. Thank you very much for the awesome donation, dude. Thank you so much, dude. I really, really appreciate that. Thanks so much for the kind donation. On that note, let's move on to Bitcoin, and then we'll do ADA, right? Or ADA. Yes, I'm told I should call it. People saying it's going to go to $1 next week. Maybe, man. Also, Bitcoin dominance. Yesterday, it lost dominance. So you're in the daily, yeah, it lost dominance. 1.42%. Today, losing 1.07%. So again, not too bad. It's sitting at 62.64% of market cap. Bitcoin futures is 47,110, which is okay. And the price of Bitcoin at an awesome $46,377.57. That is pretty cool. We're getting some pullback. That's fine. We did try to run a little bit today or yesterday. We didn't quite get that high, but it was getting good. What?
Hey man, thank you for the TA.
Mamba, thank you very much for the kind donation, dude. Legendary, man.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
There we go, man. Thank you so much for that. I really appreciate that. Let's keep moving, dude. Let's go to let's go to Bitcoin, dude. Alex, what's up? I'm not sure what you're saying, dude. Crypto Cat Lover, you tried to you're talking to someone else, because I noticed that you've been talking about like not being able to buy something or do something on Binance. So I'm not sure if I can help you out with that. So we're looking for bearish divergence for Bitcoin. Look at that. We did pull back down slightly. That's fine. We knew it was a possibility. We're getting we're getting to new all-time highs. We have the strong bearish divergence against the MACD, not against the RSI. We still get a measure move to hit. I believe we have not hit it yet. Well, we're going to check it out on the daily here on this other chart. Will OCGN go up? Thank you for asking, Gurnam Sign. Please just don't spam. And if you need a request, please do add the State of Crypto and ask about CGN. And please be kind. I mean, I am going through a list that people that have been since earlier have been requesting. So, like, you know, just be kind on the chat. Don't spam, and just do at me and ask for it, and I'll put it up on the queue. And he'll probably be right there after after BAT, right? Because we do have a system, and all requests get queued, so it'll come up whenever we get to it, right? And if you're really, really desperate to check out OCGN, I did a video earlier in the day where I did OCGN. That's the one I opened with and I actually closed with. So if you're really desperate to see what's happening with OCGN, you can go check out that video on the daily. It was earlier, or wait for the coin to come through, man. I really appreciate that you're here, but please just be patient, man. Anyways, ADA is going to get moved up the list, so I got to do that move right now. Otherwise, I'm going to repeat it later on. So, why is ADA not here? Here it is. ADA. It's going to go right after Bitcoin. For some reason, I'm missing Ethereum here on the list. Here we go. That's it. Let's keep going with Bitcoin, right? We haven't hit this measure move in the daily. That's a move I'm waiting to hit 49,000 and change, which again could be enough to repel us. We could be taking a breather again. Impulse up, consolidation, that's not bad. Yesterday we had a spinning top. By zooming in, right, we notice that the wicks are large on both sides. The body is very, very tiny, it's just 0.14%. So that's what we call spinning top. And usually it falls wherever the next candle drops. So if we have a red candle, we could be looking for a downtrend. This just means that we're on the side. That's where we want to go, up or down, right? We're seeing the bears and the bull push equally, getting close to the price day. Today we're looking at this going up. BNB on the list 2 times. I do. Thanks, man. I appreciate that, Jake. For some reason, some stuff got... Yeah, I screwed up some things today on the list. I think I deleted Ethereum as well. But thanks for letting me know, bro. Here we go. I have it once on my written list. That's why I still keep a paper copy of the list. Thanks for letting me know, bro. Appreciate that. Bitcoin. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour, right, we're curving off a little bit. That's fine. Again, we could be flagging since we hit that high. The flag's not looking that bad yet, right? It's looking like this so far. Again, consolidation is starting to come. It looks a little bit like a fallen wedge of sorts. So again, those tend to break to the upside. We could be expecting a move to the upside still to come. On that note, on the 4-hour chart over here, I just want to make sure we didn't have anything that was resistance. Nope, that's it. We hit targets. That's fine. Let's go back to this Bitcoin chart. And again, consolidating, high, higher, possible, more positive, high, higher, high. We don't have anything bearish on the 4-hour, right? This consolidation could bring potentially more action to the upside on Bitcoin. So yes, we could still try to go higher on the Bitcoin. Now, on that note, let's go to the 1-hour chart. Again, head and shoulders pattern, play to the upside. Nice. We had bearish divergence. We're moving down on that. This is from the 4-hour. I forgot to anchor it there, but we'll just send it back real quick here with the move of a button in the mouse. I click at the mouse and the move of a button. There we go, man. Yeah, what's up, the Chief? How's it going, man?
What's up?
Hello. Positive, less positive, and hello as well, right? So bearish divergence strong, moving down. Low, high, negative, more negative, right? So that's fine. I mean, I'll just anchor it from here to here, though. I mean, I should be anchoring from here. Don't want to be going over the data. It's already very cluttered here. And I'm going to start deleting stuff from the charts again, because every day I get warnings that have a lot of things drawn up on the charts. Kind of hate that. Maybe because I'm using the free version of this, right? This is 277. This over here, it's I measured it earlier, it's 312. So we know we're definitely going slightly higher here, right? So again, negative, more negative. That's where we're coming up higher. With that, we have that hidden bullish divergence. We pump, failed to get higher than the previous high, giving this continuation to the downside. But I do believe we're probably creating some divergence here. Look at this, right? Low, lower. I'll actually zoom it in so you can see it on the RSI a little bit clearer. And so I'm looking at, right? Low, lower. You know, sometimes it's hard to see, particularly if you're watching on a cell phone. If you're watching on TV, you probably get a good view of my chart, more or less. If you're on a cell phone, it could be hard. That's why sometimes I also like to zoom into things now. Someone told me that the other day that, you know, when I was talking about some things in the cell phone, if here it looks tiny, in the cell phone it looks much smaller. So we'll see. Anyways, hidden bullish. We might be looking for another bounce. Maybe hit that 20. What it did right now, but hit that 20 with intentions of breaking above it. And we'll see where we're going to go, right? That's it for Bitcoin on the 1-hour chart. Again, some hidden bullish divergences. We're really bullish. Last time we had a hidden bullish divergence on Bitcoin when we were in the bull trend and starting the bull trend, every time we had hidden bullish divergence, it just popped up much higher. So we'll see, man. Shout out to Seamus. There we go. Shout out to Seamus, man. Now, we did say that ADA is coming up next, so I just got to move it up here on the list. ADA, man. Here we go. Yo.
Donation for paid version of TradeView, sneering face.
Thanks, man. I appreciate that, dude.
Say it with me.
Legendary, man.
Thank you very much.
There we go, Jorge. Thank you very much for the awesome donation, man. Yeah, look, the reason I use the free version of TradingView is because I want to show you guys that you can do a lot of things with the free version. You don't need to have the paid version. You don't need to have the paid version to be able to trade and look at stuff and determine things in the charts. The only reason I would be using the paid version, I'm probably not going to be really using a lot of the features that it has. Maybe I'm not even sure if it's going to give me more data for the charts, but we'll see, man. It's like mine. I use the free version as well. Yeah, man, we'll see. I mean, it could be a goal. I mean, I don't mind putting it as the goal, but I'm not sure again how much I want to use it. And I want to show you guys that with the free version, you can get enough done to be able to trade, right? It's just I have a lot of data because I have a lot of charts open, and each chart has a lot of lines in it, and that's why it just keeps telling me. And every day that new coins get added, I don't delete the old coins, so you know. It just keeps adding more lines, and it just every time it just gives me quicker warnings, right? So with that said, let's do ADA, man. ADA came with a question. It was how high can it go and will it crash? Sorry about that. Again, on the daily, right? We're looking for the bearish divergence. Like I've been saying, it's really bullish. Big chance it's not going to play to the downside, right? Great wanting after you buy your Lambo. Thanks, I appreciate that. Your current earning profits would tell me. Interesting, man. Getting higher. And now we're finally going higher here on the RSI, and we're getting rid of this bearish divergence, right? So action to the upside, very, very nice action to the upside. I like it, getting above the 618, right? The old 618, and on track to hit that 786 at 91 cents. Right now, sitting at 77.39 cents. So how high can it go? Right now, my next target would be that 91 cent mark, and then above that, $1.15, which would be the closing all-time high. And then we could be going for that wick all-time high, right? So those will be the targets here. You know what, Seamus a Jeep? Awesome, dude. And you just get him a Hot Wheel Jeep or something like that, because it's gonna be too big for him. Should you sell half of your team for ADA? Entirely up to you, man. I don't think anyone. You're the only person that's qualified to make that decision. Anyways, bearish divergence. There's no bearish divergence. Overbought at 87.33. So right now, it's nothing bearish on the daily. It can go as high as it wants, but I do believe it's getting really high on that overbought scale. But like I said before, in a bull market, being overbought means jack, dude. And I'm not the only trader that says that. A lot of traders will tell you that being overbought is meaningless when we're in a full-on bull market. And a bull market can't stay overbought for a long time. So on the daily, it's okay. Let's go to the 4-hour. Again, we had bearish divergence, potential action downside. We moved down, hit that 20, right? And took a pop, and on that pop on this 4-hour chart, we're breaking that 618. But guess what? Again, this is not even developing yet. It's gonna start developing, but we're gonna target it because it's there against the MACD, but not to a positive momentum island, right? We're going from positive to zero, right, to negative. We should be really anchoring from the highest point, so from back there, that still works. Again, strong bearish divergence being built. We also would have it against the RSI, right, high to low. Overbought at 77.39. So there's bearish divergence, right? Bearish divergence direction downside. Let's see if we materialize this into a downward move. That being said, that's what I'm looking at for ADA on the 4-hour chart. A downward move to hit the 618, found support, and then bounce would be strong, unless we already did this on the 1-hour. I'm not sure if we did this on the 1-hour, but it's looking good. Anyways, guys, if you request an asset by tagging me, and you don't see me acknowledged by repeating the asset and telling you it's going on the list, please feel free to repeat it and I'll put it there. Man, what's up?
Do you do classes on this? I'm interested. 0.003000000 ETH.
Jack Proc, thank you very much for this, man. I really appreciate it.
Say it with me.
Legendary, man.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for that. There we go. And someone's requesting new. Yeah, I'll put new on the list, man. Thank you for asking. Rex. I'll answer your question in a second there, man. Jack Proc, I don't do classes on this, man. I know there's a lot of YouTubers that sell their coursework. That's fine. I'm actually going to be putting up videos, educational videos. I just need to find the time to actually do them. And trust me, you're not the only guy who's asking me for that, man. Someone else already asked me for this as well. I think it was, I'll tell you in a second who it was. Cone Wannabe. He also wants me to do something. I told him I can do it. You know, I'm not gonna do like special content just for a few people. I believe that content should be available to everyone. The only thing I'm thinking about doing maybe later on, Sushi, sure, man. Apostolic, I see you asking for stuff, man. Just add this to the crypto, bro. If you cannot do add this to the crypto for some reason, let me know or let Jake know, and I'll check out one of the assets that you want me to check out, right? Because yeah, I really need them to come with add this to the crypto. I'm applying that same rule for everyone. That way I can tell that it's a request and you're getting my attention for it. So people have been asking me about doing stuff. I'm gonna put some free videos, and the thing I was thinking about doing maybe was to have, I'm not sure yet, it's being in discussions, it's just a plan, maybe have a Patreon where I'm not even sure what the target is going to be for Patreon, but where I can do maybe a 1 hour video a week with a small 10-person group, and then just do many of those small sessions, 1 hour sessions a week with people, and then they can ask about whatever asset they want, and I can go a little bit more detail with all the hype on the chat without having to wait for a long time. So it'll be like a little bit private, one-on-one, more or less, well, 1-on-10, small trading hour, right? We're maybe 10 people is too much for an hour, but maybe it'll be 5 people. It'll be something short, and you know, hoping that you can get something that feels good for you, that you're getting your money's worth or something. I'm not sure, man. We'll figure it out, right? Alex, thank you very much for the kind donation, man. I appreciate that. I'm waiting for it to play so I can keep on. There you go, man.
Audience, say it.
Thank you very much, man. I really appreciate that, dude.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
There we go, man. Thanks so much. One up. Thank you for the something kind donation, dude. I really appreciate it. Guys, thank you very much. Like yesterday and today has been crazy so far. Thanks, guys. Thanks for being here, guys. By the way, if you like what we do, hit the like button on the sub. Join us on Discord. We have 167 people live. Only 170 people live. Only 57 likes. Come on, guys. Hit them likes. Help me out with them likes. There we go. BNT and Sparta. I think those are the last ones. BNT and Sparta. That's it. We got the 30 projects, man. Has to be a record, man. I don't think we've ever got the list queued up in less than an hour. Right? So Sushi, BNT, and Sparta. Mike, I think list just got closed, bro. I really appreciate that. We'll see how we're doing by the time we get to Sparta and see if I can add it up. I mean, I'm just gonna write it. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get to it though, right? Because by that time I'm already gonna be 30 coins in, so we'll see, man. All right, I'm gonna write no more coins. I'm still writing them down on my notebook, right? Right, but I'll see how we're doing by the end of the stream. Right, let's keep rolling. 88, still going higher, more positive and higher on the side. So the 1 hour, nothing bearish, nothing bullish happening. We're still running on this old hidden bullish. And you know, we shook off this bearish divergence by finding some kind of support. Maybe the half hour might have something. Let me zoom in here a little bit more. I think we might actually build something here. Oh, I moved something. There we go. I think I'm missing something here, and I'm actually gonna have to make the chart maybe a little bit larger so I can make it. Yeah, there we go. This is what I was looking for. It was looking too flat. It was hard to like notice. But we have this divergence here, right? Look, negative. Less negative. So strong bullish divergence. Very, very hard to see and spot. But thank you for that, man. Mighty Melly, how high do I see Cardano going up this week? We'll see. Well, I think I said that at the beginning, but I'll talk about it again since we're at Cardano. What's up, Casper? List just got filled, bro. I'll put it in the list. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to get to it though, right? Is it Tezos, XDZ? I'm not sure if it's on the list already, man. You gotta, like, I think it's already on the list, bro. Yeah, it's some coin there, man. Crow? Sure. We'll squeeze in Crow, dude. I'm not even be able to get to Ethereum. Crow, there we go, man. Thank you very much, Bitcoin off the kind donation, man.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
There we are, man. Thank you so kind for the donation, man. I really appreciate it. Thank you, the Bitcoin Mob. Did I do GR? No, dude. I haven't gotten to it. I don't even think it got on the list tonight. Did you put it on the Discord pre-stream, Andrew? Because I don't remember seeing that one. I wrote all of them. I'm not sure if I saw that one or not. If I missed it, I'll do it just because it was my mistake. But I'm not sure if I saw it, man. You said XDZ and Maker. So I got this one's from you. XDZ and Maker, and then here I don't have it. XRP, Ethereum, and Dusk. So Scott G, what's up?
What's up?
Hit me on the Discord, man. Let me know what's up, and Andrew, I'll take care of that if I missed it. Right? If you put it earlier and I missed it, I'll cover it. I'll oblige, dude. You know.
The do the vibes.
We'll do it, but it's like, yeah, I didn't see it on the pre-stream request, man. But you know, if you need it, we'll figure out something. So Cardano, bullish divergence, action to the upside. Where can we go? That was a question that someone placed. Let's go on the daily. We're gonna get a better idea there. Again, target right now is the 786 at 91 cents, and then above there, the all-time high closing at $1.15. Right? Those are the targets. Jake, dog walk. Is that like the moonwalk? But with dogs. Nitro Hat brought the pumps, though. Yeah, I know, right? Cardano, that's it for ADA, man, right? So again, those are targets to the upside. Where did I see it going, man? Potentially, the 786 will be the next target, and again, the previous high closing at. It could get there this week if we're still bullish. I would have loved to have seen a retest.
Back again.
Yo, what's up, dude? Thank you for being here, man. Like you were hard. Thank you so much for the kind donation, dude.
Thank you very much.
They overlap. There we go.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, dude. I really appreciate it. Guess who's back? Back again. Shady's back. Tell your friends. The real Slim Shady, man. Thank you for being here, man. I really appreciate it, dude. Lucky Charms here. I want to call like your my Lucky Charm, dude. Every time he comes in. Yesterday he came in, likes started picking up, donations started raining out of the sky, man. It was so crazy, man. Bada boom. Yeah, it's there we go, man. Thank you, Apostolic. Well, that's it for ADA, right? Those are the targets to the upside. Again, I can't remember on the 1 hour if we did get the pullback to test. I don't think we did. The 618, and that's what it makes me worry a little bit. It would have been really nice to have confirmed support. We did move down slightly. It could be that my fib might be a little bit off, but I doubt it because we've hit as resistance a couple times. So we didn't test it as support. So testing it as support could be important, and that could be a potential move for ADA. Up next, Crow, man. We haven't even gotten to Ethereum. That's just crazy. Everything's getting requested and skipping the list. I don't think Crow was in here, so yep, that's it. Crow. There we go, Crow. That's it, man. Let's check it here on the daily. We have looked at Crow before. What? Yo, dude, that's crazy.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man.
Thank you very much.
That's so dude, last time you did that made me laugh so hard as well, because I think last time you actually put way more letters, man. Are you fine? Are we sure you're not having a stroke or something, man? Let me know you're okay, bro. Thank you for being here. I really appreciate it, man. Ah, dude.
Killing me, Smalls.
You're killing me, Smalls. Oh, let's keep rolling, man. What is this doing? We had looked at it. We had the bearish divergence on the daily. Action to the downside. That is fine. I didn't call anything here because we're already curving off. Look, that's fine right now here on Crow. Not seeing anything on the daily chart. Low, lower, negative, or negative, low, lower. We're sold at 39.14. I'm still laughing at that thing, dude.
Like this. Astonst, GNSDFLJKHGNDSFLJKHGNDSLFJ
It's just like that, man. We're not even sure where this is gonna end.
JFS GLJ KDSF GLK JDF GLJ KDFS GLK JDF and GBJ KLDF and GLK JDF GJLKDF GLJDF GLKDF and GLKDFS GLKDF GNKDF
That's so ridiculous, man. Oh, dude. Is it done now? What the hell, man?
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man.
Thank you very much.
Oh, damn. Curly Sue, thank you very much for the kind $5 donation. I really appreciate it. One up. There we go, man. Oh, man, that thing made me laugh so hard, bro. That's so crazy, man. Yo. I know you meant that with all your heart, bro. I actually understand that kind of language, dude. What? Gauzy Isaac, dude, thank you very much. I really appreciate that, man.
Audience, say it with me. Legendary.
Legendary.
Thank you very much.
There we are, man. And Mamba, thank you again. Bitcoin taking a small dump? Yeah, dude, we'll check it out in a second, man. Thank you very much for
Bitcoin
your
taking a
kind
small
donation.
dump.
Guys, you guys are amazing, dude. You guys are making my night again. It's so awesome to be here, man. I really appreciate y'all. And I really like being here. I enjoyed it so much.
Thank you very much.
There you go, man. We'll check out Bitcoin in a second, man. But let me do ADA. I still have Crow to run through, and then I'll recap Bitcoin again because, you know, there's some coins that came with donations. I gotta, like, move now. Oh, that made me laugh so hard, bro. Like I was like tearing up from the laughter. Dude. Let's keep rolling, man.
Lol, you thought I'd let you talk? Kiss KSGHNDL, SFHGNDL, SJKHGNDSF, LHGND, FLHGNDF, LSKGNDFLK, GNDFS, LKGN, LDKSFGNL. DSFGNLDFKHNGDLF GHN
dude, what the hell, man?
SDLNSLDK
Oh, man.
LK SDHN LKGN DSFLKHGNS FLKGNSD
Oh, man.
Dawkins LKGN
Oh, man.
KGNDSF LKHGNDFS LKHNDFS LKHDS.
Oh, thank you very much. Like very hard.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man.
Thank you very much.
There you go, man. Oh, bro. Oh, man. Dude, I gotta like. My cheeks are starting to hurt, man. Oh, man, that was insane. Oh. Let's keep rolling, man. All right, on. So high, low, positive, high, low. Neutral at 56.88. Low, high. We don't have anything else here. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Last time we had bearish divergence playing out on that, trying to recover. We're also looking for that bearish divergence against the MACD. We got it if we would have kept on tracking a little bit more against the RSI as well. And with that,
Look, we're talking the tongue of the Akashic Records.
oh yeah, dude. Thank you very much for that.
Just want to
Kelsey
say
Isaac.
hello.
Audience, say it with
Higher,
me.
higher, 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 higher,
Okay. It's funny that it doesn't say hi in the same way every time. It's like hi. This is like moving up and down, so it's not monotonous reading, man. It's so freaking crazy. Cause the eyes like, dude, thank you very much for the kind donation. And like me here.
Thank you very much.
Hail to the king.
What's up?
There we go, man. Oh man. Oh. Hey, Milk Football, thank you for being here, man. It's just insane, man. Again, bearish divergence, actually the downside a little high. Negative, less negative. I'm not sure, dude. For me, it was funny as hell, dude. I was still like laughing at the first ones, man. Oh, man. Oh, that's crazy. Oh, bro. That's insane. Oh. It's freaking crazy, man. Oh, let's see if I can go through this now. Bearish divergence, strong action to downside. Potentially. We're starting to get that first red candle coming in, man. Wow, did we drop viewers or something? Oh, no. For some reason, this is off, man. See, this says like concurrent viewers 186, and then here it says 22. Wow, that's weird. I'm not sure why that's showing up like that, but that's crazy, man. Oh, man.
Martin.
Yo, thank you very much for the kind donation. Dude, get to what? John Muscle, thank you for being here, man. Appreciate it.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary.
Thank you very much.
There you go, man. I gotta keep on going, dude. Thank you, like very hard for the kind donations, man. Oh man, I gotta keep them going, man. Thanks, man. Bearish divergence, actually the downside. We're starting to get that red candle coming in. Oh, bro, man, that's crazy. Dude, that was insane. That's all I gotta say. That's insane, dude. 1 hour chart. There we go, man. Bearish divergence, strong potential for action to downside, and with that, we're in that move, right? So let's see how this is gonna keep on playing. Yeah. Come on, be kind, guys. It was funny, man. It made me laugh. It was a change of pace for the stream, dude. Oh man. Again, bearish divergence, potential for action to downside. Let's see what's going to happen here. We're bought at 66.28. And again, bearish divergence, potential for action to downside. Might move down on that. Starting to get that movement to the downside. Bitcoin's falling off a cliff. I'm going to go check it out in a second, man. Yo, filled my honey, dude. What's up? Too much beer? No, I haven't had any beer to drink, actually. That's it for Crow, right? Now let's go check out Bitcoin. Again, bearish divergence, actually downside, bearish divergence on the 4 hour. And the daily will clear. Again, it's just potential. Markets are super bullish. Big chances that markets might move up.
Just supporting my favorite streamer.
Oh, dude. Thank you very much for that. Like, you're hard, dude. I really appreciate that.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
There we go, man. Oh, bro. It's for entertaining purposes. Yeah, I know. Thank you, Craig. Some people weren't entertained. Some people didn't like it. But, you know, it's not every day that we get this kind of a thing happening. So for me, it was funny, man. I liked it. I don't mind it. I mean, we are a serious channel. But, you know, we also, like, have fun. So for me, like, you know, it was fine. I'm okay with it. I know, some people don't like it. I get it. I mean, some people just want to see the analysis, right? Bitcoin, 45,000. Yeah, it's moving down. Like, is someone selling something on Bitcoin? Like, is Elon Musk starting to sell? Let's go to the 1 hour, see what we have, man. And we're not really dying here, right? I mean, we dropped lower earlier. We still have this hidden divergence that we're trying to hold on to. And now we might even be creating here against the RSI, man. I thought it was hilarious, man. Let's check it here, man. Negative, less negative. We don't have it here against the MACD yet, just against the RSI. Yeah, it moving down is fine, man, right? China dump will sell $1 million, then dumping us, then buy it back up again. Maybe, man. You're not recovering from choking on the sushi. I know, dude. It was really funny, man. Anyways, hidden bullish. Might be looking for action to the upside, or at least some sustaining happening here. Let's go to the half hour. We did do the half hour on Bitcoin. Now I'm a little bit more concerned with the drop that it's having. I mean, I'm not dying that I'm worried, but I'm just a little more concerned. Low, high, negative, less negative, low. Lower, some hidden divergence here as well against the MACD, right? Sorry, the RSI. Let's get this on the 30-minute chart. There we go. Again, hidden bullish, potentially action to the upside. Let's see if Bitcoin has something here that we can hold on to. Not seeing it here. And from here to here, we had bearish divergence. From here to here, bearish divergence in the half hour. So we're getting that movement to a downside. Popping on the hidden bullish that was back here. So again, I'm like not drawing what I'm talking about, but this is basically I'm going through the process of seeing what's happening and why things stop moving, right? So if you look at what I'm charting right now, I'll explain it in a second. So let me go through the drawings real quick here to here, and then here to here as well, right? So cool. Now I'm going to start explaining to you guys what happened here. Right, so look, we had strong bearish divergence move down, popped again, strong bearish divergence moving us farther down, creating some hidden bullish divergence, taking a pop, failed to get higher than the previous high, thus continuation of the bearishness. And we started to move down again. We're still creating hidden bullish divergence for potential action to the upside. No. Right now we're sold at 39.77, but again, we have that hidden bullish. So on the 1 hour, again, hidden bullish divergence, potential for action to the upside, right? And we're starting to get a little bit of pullback. So again, I'm not sure how big of a drop we're going to get right now. I'm trying to find areas of support. We don't have a lot of areas to support up here. That's the only problem, right? Why do we not have areas to support up here? Because we haven't been this high before. So we're really trying to determine where we're going to go with Bitcoin. So I was looking for some support lines that I could draw here. I mean, I'm going to go to another chart that's a little bit cleaner. I'm going to have to probably go on the daily. I'm looking for an area of support, maybe some kind of line that I can draw. Or I can get multiple touch points. I mean, this one wouldn't be the best line, but again, could certainly be trying to provide some support here for Bitcoin. Not liking too much. I might go to that 4 hours, see if we can find something here. Yeah, here we can find a line that's a little bit better. We can play off. I'm gonna go with this one right now. All right, look, support, 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 and then we're taking off. So really very far away from that support line. We're even far away from the 20 moving average. And on the 1 hour, we're slightly below, which is okay. Again, not really worried about Bitcoin that much, but the 4 hour is still looking good. Oh, guys, thank y'all for being here, man. Making this awesome stream, dude.
Thank you very much.
I appreciate y'all. I'm seem to be calming down now from the laughter, man. It's good. That's it for Bitcoin, dude. Again, let's go to Ethereum. We haven't done Ethereum. We have a lot of coins to move through still. 1,781. Again, we're looking for bearish divergence on the daily. Or sorry, yeah, on the daily. We managed to make new all-time highs. We're gonna shift this point to the highest point. Let's see which one has the highest. 1,826, 1,825. All right, and we're gonna go with this one. 1,826.28. There we go. Oh man. again, bearish divergence strong, potential fraction to the downside. We've been looking for it for a while now. Bought at 67.74. That note, let's go to the 4-hour chart. Coming up higher, coming down lower, and then it's still also coming down lower. So again, strong bearish divergence, still building up on Ethereum. And we had it yesterday. We knew it was a possibility. Oh, Firebird, rewind, Firebeard, rewind and like watch it 2 times because it was like insane. Bought at 61.09. So again, bearish divergence, action to the downside. Starting to get that red candle again. I'm not super worried about it yet. Market's still really bullish, so we could be getting some pullback. We'll be healthy, right? Let's keep rolling here. Again, bearish divergence, action to downside, move down, taking a pop, higher, positive, less positive. So we had the bearish divergence here. It did play to the downside. We're looking at this one yesterday. Again, we managed to pump, and look at this, right? From one island to the next, all these tracks, right? Strong bearish divergence, actually downside, breaking down again. Holding support at 20. And I'm not going to call anything hidden here. We don't have hidden divergence. I'm not going to consider this. Maybe this one could help as the hidden bullish. I think, yeah, I'm actually going to go with this one for the hidden bullish divergence. Going from here to here, right? With that, we're getting that action to the upside. Hidden bullish. Popping. It did go higher than the previous high, but very slightly. And we're developing this strong bearish divergence reaction to downside. Now, 1 quick second, guys. There we are. So again, strong bearish divergence, potential action downside. We move down, we hit that 20 moving average in Ethereum, and we're taking a pop. So we're bouncing off, rejecting the 20 moving average. Sorry, guys. Something got stuck in my throat. So much laughter, I think. Oh, man. That's it. Sorry about that. Hit the mic. Is Ethereum looking okay? Yeah, I'm not worried about it yet. Look in the 1 hour, right? And look at this line that I'm going to draw. This will be a support line, right? For the wicks. So we're wicking here, and wicking here. So I'm not really worried. We can still come down here to this line and try to find support and bounce. Now, another one would be if you don't want to use the wicks because you're maybe a little bit bearish and you don't want to account for the volatility, you move it up. And if we go to the bodies, we get the same story, right? So it's just a little bit higher. And we're holding on support of the 20, which is fine for Ethereum, right? I mean, Bitcoin can move down a little bit and alts can pump. So we'll see. Does Leprechaun have feelings? Yes. He's laughing all the time. Look, he's even tipsy, I think. You cannot see his eyes, but he's a little bit tipsy. Alright, let's roll, man. That's it for Ethereum. Again, I'm not really worried about it yet, unless we break this line that I drew as support, right? I'm going to change it to blue so we know it's a support line. If we break the support line, we could be giving way to the strong bearish divergence, and yeah, we could be looking for an action to the downside, right? To move down. We don't have a lot of support in this area. We might have manufactured something around this line. Maybe something around this line. Yeah, maybe around this line. It looked like we could have some support. It's not going to be very strong. We don't have a lot of data at this area. But let me change this to blue and solid line. That way we know it's support. But I'm looking at here. We used it as resistance, right? Then here became resistance, sort of support, right? Support here and support here. So somewhere around this area of 1,729, a couple more dollars off, a couple more dollars up or down, could be an area of support resistance that I'm looking for. Soon if we break the support line, we could be trying to find support around this area before we actually break down. Then we could be looking at something, right? Potential double top here, right? Where I'm making that M shape, right here. I'm gonna draw it. I'm not gonna call it a double top yet. We have not confirmed it yet. That's a double top, so it's a potential double top. Then we'll confirm it, right? So again, this is stuff I'm looking at here. Again, here, this line would serve as a confirmation line, right? The one I drew here at 1,729. If we break below that area, probably looking for a 13% drop or so. That could potentially have us target down here. And maybe we could be doing a double bottom here or something. But we'll check it out once that happens. Right now, still doing good. So let's go to Binance. Oh man, that was crazy. $115, dude. Binance hit all-time highs on this 1 hour candle at $119.59, dude. Binance has been going up a lot. Do we know the actual number of the short interest for MC? Here, Patel. Thank you for being here, man. I appreciate it. Right now, we're in the state of crypto version. We can do stocks, but the queue's already filled up for the night, man. I usually have 30 spots for me to analyze things and look at things. I'm not sure exactly where you're going with the question. The number of short interest for AMC. I'm not sure the number of short interest. What do you mean by the number of short interest? I think it's because all the stuff that's happening on Binance Smart Chain that's pumping it, right? So all the hype on Binance Smart Chain for DeFi is making it pump a lot. Yeah, it did pump 34%, and then it's still pumping 7% today. So nothing bearish, right? Higher, more positive, higher. It's just going insanely high. Look at this freaking thing. It's just going like a curve here, right? It's like insanely high. Again, overbought at 90.54. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. See what's happening here, man. Can I revisit ATH? Sure, man. We've already just done it once, so we can revisit it again. A tweet from me alone would be great, yeah. We're looking for bearish divergence here. I said, don't put a lot of stock into it, right? We're super bullish, big chance it might not play. 91, 90, so we're coming from high to low still here. This will track up here. Still have that strong bearish divergence against the RSI, but not against the MACD. Against the MACD, we've shaken it off, and we're bought at 88.57. Let's go to the 1 hour chart for Binance. On the 1 hour chart, I'm not sure we're going to find a lot. We were looking for bearish divergence here. Obviously, we negated it. We went higher. And we knew it was a possibility, right? We said the market is really bullish. So we get the move, pump more, and then pump still more here. And let's zoom out, man. So from way back here, right, I can go to any of these highest points that we're making. So I could go from, let's say, back here to there, right? That would be the actual move, to be honest. But I don't like going over so much data, so I'm going to leave it here, right? Look at the move. It would be from here to here still. And we still have strong bearish divergence. Move down slightly. Even to here, we would have had it, right? We would have had it to here. We would have had it to here. Move down, take a new pump. And on this new pump, I'm going to do this as a new one because we're really taking a drop here on the MACD and the RSI. So on this one move to the upside on Binance, we do have this bearish divergence strong against the MACD and the RSI for potential action downside. Again, it's going up too fast. Usually when things go up too fast, we expect pullback, right? So let's see if we're going to get pullback or not. That's it, dude. We are bought at 1.26. BNB does practically everything. I agree with you, man. Bring Facts is patiently waiting for the DVT launch. Yeah, I know. Me too, man. I can't wait for that to happen. DVT actually did recover quite a bit. And he's doing not so bad today. Or it was not doing so bad today when I was looking at it. Maybe because Bitcoin's going down, it's probably going to be a little bit down, but we'll check in a second, man. Again, let's move on to Litecoin. Let's go on the daily, man. Again, last thing we had, hidden bullish, popping more. Great. High, higher high, positive. More positive. Again, against the RSI, we're starting to develop some strong bearish divergence. RSI, Litecoin not doing so bad, right? Someone actually asked yesterday about Litecoin and where it can go. I said, look, we got to get above 164. We finally did that yesterday. Held support and popped. So now we're looking for retraces to higher areas of value. We actually get a shift. The way we've been looking at this. Now we're going to shift it is by, this is no longer 100% because we're already getting there. This is going to be our same low because it's still lower than this previous low over here. But what I will be doing is shifting this close to the all-time high to try to get real retrace areas. So what I'm going to do here, I'll move that. Oh man, Ooh, that moved in a way I didn't want it to. There we go. I'm actually gonna go here and zoom in and see where the high is for Litecoin, and try to target it here with the fibs, right? So I want to find the closings, and it's right there, man. Because I'm going close to close. I'm using the wicks for my fibs right now, and we'll get an actual area that we're hitting, and as you can tell, we're retracing 50% of the way from the high to the low. We're halfway there, right? So we are climbing. Next target would be that 618 at 230, and then 786 at 287. This is if this continue bullish and the market still remains bullish. If Bitcoin starts tanking, very likely Litecoin can start tanking. May, it was you. Yeah, thanks for letting me know. Anyways. I mean, I'm usually don't like to be overly bullish, right? Also, I don't like to be overly bearish. Let's say I'm not overly bullish because I like to be surprised still. And like, you know, when you're overly bullish, and then it's like when you overhype something, right? And then you under-deliver, and you're carrying that weight of like, oh man, that really sucked. And I thought it was gonna be so good. So I don't believe in overhyping things, because you know, it could be a target, but again, let's first get above certain areas before we actually start talking about, like, you know, $3, $7, 10 times its value. Again, small targets, right? It's like when someone's asking you to forecast something for like a job, sales, or whatever, right? If you put a forecast you're not going to reach, and you know you're going to be short, they're going to question you a lot, right? It's the same thing happens here, right? You don't want to be targeting areas that you don't even know if you can hit. Start targeting small areas, right? And you're not going to be let down that hard when you don't hit them, right? Because if you said like, yeah, it's going to go to $10, and all of a sudden like you get like $1, and then it just doesn't go any higher, then you're a long ways from what your expectations were, right? So set up short expectations. You're going to be much happier, and you're going to have better targets to get to and better outs to look for, right? If you're set on $10 and not getting out until $10 are hit, it's probably going to take you a longer time than if you have $5, $4, $3, $1, and start climbing up that ladder slowly, right? So again, just have clear expectations as to where it can go, right? Again, small moves. Bearish divergence, action to downside. Bought at 68.95 again. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Bearish divergence, we were looking here. Moved down slightly, found that support at the 164.78 cents. And pumping more. That's great. Higher. Let's go here. Everything's going higher, so everything's good here. We're bought at 72.43. So let's go to the 1-hour chart. We're looking for the bearish divergence here. Look, we got it at midnight. We just didn't revisit this asset. We got the move down. We broke the 20. We found support at 164. I think that was one of the targets that we called for. If we break here, maybe 164 will hold support. And then, you know, we'll see what we have. We managed to pump, so that's good, man. Now we're hitting that 50% retrace and rejecting. So again, we have good areas on fibs. We have good areas on supports, right? And that's key. If you don't have good supports on your charts, you're gonna get wrecked because you're not gonna be finding the areas that you want to hit. Again, from high to low, and then this will be high to low as well, right? So we have strong bearish divergence against the MACD and the RSI. With that action and downside, we're starting to pull back a little bit, not too hard. And again, pullbacks are healthy. Look, here we pumped, right? Pull back quite a bit. We can actually measure how much we moved from high to low. 5%, and then we pumped again. Right now, we're not even at a 5% drop, man, right? So for me to here, it's like 2 point.
Waiting
2
for
point change.
XRP.
Yeah, sure, bro. Thank you, Lake Vihar, for the awesome donation, man.
Audience, say it with me. Legendary.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Haremos XRP right after Litecoin. It's actually down on the list. I'm actually gonna have to shift it up, I guess. What was XRP on the list? Yeah, it was the coin number 7. That's gonna shift up to over here. Oh man, thank you very much for the kind donation, dude. I really appreciate it. And thanks for the awesome support that you give this channel. Everyone, thank you all for the awesome support that you give this channel, man.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Ah, bro. There we go. Bought at 64.44. So that done. Let's go to the XRP. What?
Back to school, to prove to dad I'm not a fool. I got my lunch packed up, my boots tight, I hope I don't get in a fight. Back to school, back to school.
Thank you very much for that, Trey. I really appreciate it, dude.
Legendary.
Legendary.
Thank you very much.
There we are, man. Dude, my cheeks hurt when I laugh or when I smile now. I laughed so hard earlier. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Craig, thank you very much for the $5. No fights, man. Come on. We're grown-ups now. We can use dialogue to sort through stuff. That's for Litecoin. Let's move on to XRP. Oh, man, where XRP at? It's taking a pump today, right? I saw it going up. Yeah, 48 cents. Still on a range, I think. Yeah, good above. Awesome. Let's get XRP, man. Remind you of Bill Madison? I can't remember that movie that well, man. I seen it a long time ago. Yo, guys, by the way, if you like what we do, hit the like button, sub. Join us on the Discord. Links in the description. And thank you for being here at the State of Crypto. And again, I hope you guys come back and you like the content and subscribe. Definitely subscribe. High low, possible sponsor high low. We don't have anything bearish. We had the hidden bearish here. Move down. Again, finding support, bouncing. Nothing happening in XRP on the daily. Getting about 47.54. And really looking at where we're going to go. We closed support yesterday above that area. Right now opening above the support. And now we're trying to bounce on that. We hit 50 cents and retrace, right? We almost hit 50 cents on the dot. 49.91 on this chart. Oh man, let's keep rolling here. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. There's some hidden bullish moving up slightly on that, and then we're going higher, right? And we're definitely coming high to low as well with this. Higher high. So I get this in the 4-hour chart just for good order's sake. Make sure everything's nice and tight, and high to low. Right, strong bearish divergence against the MACD, potential fraction to the downside. Now we want to be finding out. I mean, at least we're holding on to the support. If we break it again, we do have two supports here immediately, right? 45.83. And then, we do know that this supports and resistances do hold for XRP because we had them for a while. Look, support here, right? Support here, bouncing. Resistance along this line for a while, then became support. Now it's become support again up here. So we know the supports are good. Let's go to the 1-hour chart, right? Strong bearish divergence against the MACD here on this move. We'll pull back on that. We're gonna check in a second against two new high low, right? So again, high low, and also here look high and going higher as well, and coming from high to low here as well. Look at this, boom, and also here against the RSI. So bearish divergence strong on XRP. Action to the downside, moving down, getting very close to 20 on the 1-hour, but again holding support at 47.54 cents. Let's see if we can manage to go higher. Right now, sitting at 48.12 cents. XRP, it's one of those weird assets that I'm not sure if it's really going to go up higher with strength, man. Just the news are still there from the SEC lawsuit, right? And although they're saying that they're going to come to an agreement with Ripple, and that could potentially target a massive move to the upside, right? If they come to an agreement, they drop the lawsuit. Ripple's not declared a security, and it could take off to the moon. But until then, it's highly speculative, and we could go down, right? So, I think that's it for this, man. XRP again, very quick, not a lot happening on it. Moving down, I don't find anything else that is bullish. We do have a support line here. For sure, we're gonna have the support line going on, and we wicked it actually. Look at that, 1, 2, 3, 4, wicked and wicked. So we're holding on to some support in XRP. Also, right, didn't hit the 20, but we hit a support line. I rarely draw support lines when I'm on the live stream. It just depends. Sometimes I see them and I draw them. Sometimes I just don't really mind them. But this time it was very obvious that we're bouncing at some place, and I just need to find out whether or not it was a support. And yeah, it was a support. So there we go, man. This is for XRP. Let's go to RSR real quick. Oh, bro, that's crazy so far. Martin Swang, dude, list already failed, man. I'm not sure if we're going to be able to get to Matic, but I'll just write it down here, right? List got filled up earlier today. Like, in an hour, we filled the list. It was crazy. All right. Neutral. Yeah, 56.64. That's it, dude. Let's move on to RSR. Where's my RSR, dude? There it is. At 5.2. What? I wasn't even paying attention to this today, man. And I don't hold like a huge amount of it. I hold an okay amount of it. It's winning so high, bro. What? That's so crazy. Dude, what the hell's going on? We had the hidden bullish. It's pumping. We found support at the 20. It was great. I mean, I wasn't expecting it to go up that high. I was really expecting it at least get to 1618 again and maybe find resistance. It just went so much higher than I anticipated. That's okay, man. I'm actually pleasantly surprised with this. We do have this island here. I'm going to ignore it just because it's one bar. But we're going high and higher still. Yeah, guys, come on. Hit the like button, man. I really appreciate y'all for being here. And for the kind of support that you show to this channel. And to me. I appreciate y'all. And the mods, because the mods are also great here. And it's so cool, man. And then hello as well. Again, strong bearish divergence, potential fraction downside. Let's see if we're going to materialize that. Again, starting to build this positive momentum island. This is just the 6th bar, but it's looking like it's starting to take on strength, so that's good. And you know, we're still bought at 65.81. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Again, I don't want to be overly bullish on RSR. I think it's doing good. Let's see if we can hold on to that. High, higher, positive, more positive, high, higher. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower. Nothing here bearish or bullish right now. Just moving up, and that's great. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Again, it's making all-time highs, so very nice to see that it wicked 56.98 cents. That's good. My entry here is doing good. Here on the short term, we created some strong bearish divergence, right? Reaction to the downside. And it's from here to here. And I'll match it in a second on the bottom. So from here to here, and then here to here. Right? So again, strong bearish divergence, potential fraction to the downside, and on that, we're in that move down. That being said, that's it for RSR. Again, pleasant surprise is that it pumped so much. I'll see how good my entry is because I haven't measured. So entry to high, I am at 69%. Great. So I put in $100. I'm making $69 right now. Awesome. It was a small entry that I did. I didn't put that much into this one. So now yeah. First I was glad because it dropped so much. At some point in time I was really making 80% returns. That went really good, man. $80 back. So cool. Let's see if we can keep on performing good on RSR, and it'll be really nice. Again, you guys know the story here. My entry was here at 31. I did take and dropped and held for a while. I was really worried that I was never gonna make up my money because this project was really not performing that well. So with that said, let's go with DVT now. First of all, let's look at the price of DVT. Not sure if it's refreshed, but 2.1. Yes, it's doing great, man. Right, yesterday we were looking at the 1.5. Today we're looking really good. Again, 4.7. At some point in time, it went up this high. Really? Did I miss this wick? Bro, that went to 6.2. That's insane, man. That was really good. You know, DVT is performing extremely well. I really like the way DVT is performing. BTT, I'm not sure if it's on the list, man. If you don't see it up there on the corner, it's not on the list, and their list's already closed for requests because we already taken over 30 coins, and I'm not even sure if I'm going to be able to get through the extra ones tonight. So we will see, right? Anyways, let's bring out some indicators out here for DVT. The McDonald's and the RSI, right? MACD and the RSI, bro. Here we go, RSI. Let's get the this to be columns, and let's make them green so we can easily see them. At least green for me pops a little bit more on the chart. High, low, low, high, bearish divergence. Right, we move down on that. That's fine. Again, it's the project is bullish. It has bullish news coming out for it. This I told you guys was an attack. I told you guys to don't worry about it. Look at what happened. We're basically recovered, and with the current price of Bitcoin, we're still doing really good. So, again, really, really nice for DBT right. Low, high, negative, less negative, high to low. We don't have anything else besides this hidden bearish divergence. Let's move it down slightly and then pumping up a little bit more. So again, recovering, right? We don't want to go bearish. That's what this chart's basically telling me. Like, bearish divergence dropping is like, nope, we actually want to go high again. So on that note, that's it for this on the 1 hour. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. This might be a little bit more interesting. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low on the RSI lower point. Nothing here. Low, high, high to low. Not really, man. Yeah, slight high, high, and then high to low, right? So from here to here. Here actually. So we have that strong bearish divergence fraction to downside. We don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. We move down slightly and then pumping up again. So like it said, right? So lower, negative, more negative, low, lower. That's fine. On the daily, we have some hidden divergence, and we knew those possibilities for a pump. It's going from here to here, coming from here to here, from here to here, and then even short term. I guess I make this larger, negative, less negative, right? It's just very, very slight, but it's from here to here. And that would be targeting here, and then we could be targeting this a strong bullish divergence here, or potential action to the upside maybe. Or yeah, strong bullish divergence. Potential action to the upside, moving up slightly on this. And again, DBT not looking that bad. That's it for DBT again. Some bullishness, short term looking a little bit bearish, but again, it's recovering nicely. Let's go to Ethereum Classic, etc. There we go, man. Someone did say yesterday this was moving a little bit. It did pump. What? 11% yesterday, 10% today already. Great. Where are we at? Getting above that 786 in the short term. Fibs from February the 20th. We still haven't recovered to that high. So no point in fibing farther back yet. Let's see where we're at, man. Hit that 76. Trying to stay above it and probably pump a little bit higher. Last time we looked at this, we had this bullish divergence. We haven't looked at it since. Going higher, positive, more positive, high, higher, high, higher. Great. Now high, higher still. I think we might be creating some bearish divergence here. It's just getting very, very slight on this new pump. Yeah. From here to here, it's still strong bearish divergence. So just because I say it's light, it means it's slightly there, right? It's barely visible. So we do have this bearish divergence for action to the upside. The downside, sorry. Dude, what am I saying? Bearish divergence for action to the downside.
Sorry.
Let's keep rolling. And then we're coming here high to low. What is this? 74.92 to 74.38. Great, man. Hello. And then high to low as well. So again, strong bearish divergence, potential fraction to the downside. Let's see how this is going to keep on playing out for Ethereum Classic. Again, it's going really bullish right now. It was like the delayed takeoff, and now it's like bursting off. So great for the 4 hour chart. Let's see what we get here, man. Dude, low, high, positive, more positive, high to low. Some strong bearish divergence against the RSI. So with that possibility for action to downside on Ethereum Classic, and we're overbought at 80.10. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. The 1 hour chart looks good, man. And from back here, we're definitely going higher on the RSI. So nothing against the RSI, and then here short term, nothing against the MACD. And that's fine. I mean, we don't have to have anything sometimes. We're just going higher, high to low. Right here on the 1 hour chart, we had some bullish divergence back here for action to the upside, and that could be the catalyst for this run that we're getting right now in Ethereum Classic. Again, not seeing anything bearish in the 1 hour, still doing good. Brand, how's it going, man? Thanks for being here, man. I appreciate that. There you go. I know you like that horn, so we're gonna do it right now. And let's keep moving through this, man. That's it for Ethereum Classic. Again, I'm not seeing a lot happening with it. Just pumping. So we gotta wait for something to happen. Again, pulling back a little bit, holding on support at that 786. Once we can materialize this, a flag forming, and then maybe try to run up again. That's what I would be probably looking for here, man. That being said, let's go to Dusk to Bitcoin. CJK, I did listen to you, man. I did go against Bitcoin today. Great. Because JK told me the other day I wasn't listening when he said I think this Bitcoin I just did against the dollar. I did take it against Bitcoin today, man. Higher, and then all right. Let's go on the daily first and see what we have here. What are we playing with? High low. So bearish divergence against the MACD. First things that I'm popping out, right? I was trying to look at a lot of. Holy moly! I know, man. It's crazy, but we did it, man. I listened to your comment on and did it against Bitcoin, man. Anyways, bearish divergence, actually downside, potentially still pumping up a little bit, so we can take a look. We can just go there and say, look, we still have strong bearish divergence. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower, right? So here in the short-term low, as we're coming lower every time, we're making a less negative momentum, right? So with that potential correction to the upside, on that slant divergence, we're rallying. Now we have strong bearish. Let's see if that's going to trigger. Overbought at 82.71. So sitting at 265 sats. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to get good retraces yet on the fibs here. I'll try them, but I do believe I'm not going to get anything here, man. So let's go from high over here. Come on, there we go. Low. Yeah, we're nowhere near that 236, so no point in having the fibs. Creeping up on EOS, and you can go ahead and get up early tomorrow. Yeah, EOS is gonna be 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 more coins after Dusk, so great. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. High, higher, positive, less positive, high, low. So again, some strong bearish divergence in the short term for Dusk. For potential action to downside. That's it, dude. Again, right? Some bearish divergence. Let's see if it's going to materialize into a move down. Let's see the 1 hour. I'm not sure the 1 hour what it has, but if it has bearish divergence again, we have bearish divergence on 3 time scales. We want to see that. Awesome. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Higher. Positive, more positive, high, low. Right, so first things from here to here, some bearish divergence strong against the RSI, right? And I'm looking at this one. And then within the same island, coming lower as we're going higher, so more strong bearish divergence against the RSI. With that, potential for actually that downside. I'm actually not liking this one that well. There's what we just anchored there, and that would be the same thing, right? But again, strong bearish divergence against the MACD and the RSI, potential for moving down. We're getting that large red candle coming into Dusk. 166 sats. It can still drop to that 20 moving average at 159. That'll be its potential target right now. I'm not sure if I can work fibs right now because where am I gonna fib to, man? I was looking at that, and maybe this high could fib to this high, I guess. Yeah, this high would work. And sometimes it's good to have fibs. Good practice or retrace. So from here to your low. There we go. And yep, that's again getting above that 618. It looks like, and might be trying to find support near that area for a potential bounce. So not too bad for Dusk. Let's see how it keeps on recovering and see if it can continue with its bullishness. Go Tezos. Right, Tezos. Right on, let's check this, man. High and higher. I'm gonna go on the daily first, but up higher and then the high low, right? So first things on Tezos, right? Bearish divergence. Is this the Tezos that we'll look at? Or do we have another Tezos? We have another Tezos chart. Here we go. Great. So again, bearish divergence, right? Potential fraction to downside. LBS if I draw a line from here. This one did move us down. Last one we had, right, to that 20, taking a bounce. Again, market conditions really bullish. We're bouncing up a little bit, right? High low and high low as well against the RSI, right? Same line. Yeah, bearish divergence, actually downside, moving down slightly. We're hitting that 236 and trying to hold on support there, which is a fine. Again, not worried about that. Some retrace is fine after an impulse up. So again, good stuff happening. And let's go to the 4-hour chart. The 4-hour chart, higher high, positive, less positive, and high to low as well against the RSI and the MACD, right? So we have that bearish divergence for potential action to downside, strong bearish divergence for potential action to downside, and we're starting to get that move, right? Look, we're moving down, probably following Bitcoin and company. Bitcoin setting up a bearish turn right now, some reason. Not long-term bearish, just short-term bearish, right? With the small move that it was pulling back down. After EOS, I'm gonna recap, I guess, because we haven't recapped in a little bit, so we will check it out, man. Let's play this. Melbo, thank you very much for asking about that, man. I did get the list full already. I do 30 requests at night, and all of the spots have already been taken, man. I appreciate that you're here. If it's a stock, I can check it out tomorrow. If it's a, I'm gonna do stocks tomorrow at 1 p.m. Central. Or if you want to be at night again, I start at 9 p.m. Central, and you can come in and put a request. If you're in the Discord, you can let us know beforehand, and I can add it up, or you can queue it on pre-stream requests, and then it'll be ready by the time you get here. Thank you guys for being here again. If you like what we do, hit the like button on the sub. And we're bought at 65.40. Let's go to the 1 hour chart again. Tonight's been crazy, man. Yo, good night. Thanks for being here, man. I just want to say good night for some reason. Let's get this back on the daily. I forgot to anchor this stuff, but let's send it back real quick. Higher, right, high, slightly higher, high, low. All right, some bearish divergence here on the last bit of Tezos. Again, what's ushering this movement down? Looks like we want to hold on to that support at the 20. We're slightly below it, but we have wicked back up. And if we close above that 20, we could be for a potential bounce. I'm going to check for bullishness right now, because I haven't found a lot of things that are bullish for Tezos. But I'm not sure. I mean, if we get above that 20, we might be getting rid of this. Let the music guide you. Right, what we're looking at here, this is 1165, and this is 112. All right, so a negative, less negative, right? Low to high, low to high. So I was looking for some kind of divergence here. Getting above that 20 will definitely get rid of that divergence that I was looking for, that hidden bullish. And if we get to that 236, we might be making more negative momentum. We can go low, high, negative, more negative. Hold support at that 236 and look for a potential bounce. That would be what I'll be looking at for Tezos right now. Again, a lot of the market seems to be doing this sort of turn with Bitcoin and everyone, right? And so they're all starting to come back down slightly right now in the last couple hours. Let's go Maker. The Maker. You shall meet your maker. There we go. $2,607. Great. We're looking for the bearish divergence, right? Awesome. Do we have it? Yep, we still have it against the MACD, I think. So I'm just going to check the numbers. 97, 102. No, we killed it here, man. We killed it. We still have it against the RSI then. Bearish divergence, extra downside, moving down slightly, trying to curve up, maybe move up slightly. Again, very, very large wicks here. So again, a lot of indecision happening 2 days ago. Looks like the spinning top landed on the bullish side, and we're still trying to climb back up, right? So that's what I'm looking at right now. Strong bearish divergence. Overbought at 75.14. Not a lot happening here besides that hidden bullish that we had. So let's go to the 4 hour and see what we have there. Higher possible, more positive than higher still. Again, here on the 4 hour, it just looks like a flag, right? Look, if I zoom out, impulse up, flagging, down sloping, right? Right now moving a little bit sideways, but it looks like just sideways motion, or at least we're flagging around this level. So again, not really worried about this yet. We consider this to be the flag. And this here to also be the flag, right? Something like that. So down sloping channel, more or less. That usually could be breaking to the upside. Let's see if we have anything else happening here on the 4 hour. High, low, positive is positive, high, low on the other side. Low, high, negative, negative, low, high. Nothing bullish, nothing bearish in the short term. Let's do the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour, do we have something? Doesn't look like we have a lot low. Yeah, are we going lower or sideways? I'm actually going to have to check. Opening at 2,373.06. 2,367.72. So 72. 67, slightly lower. Very slightly lower, man. We didn't even call it sideways motion, but it is slightly lower, and then we're going from high to low, right? So we have some bullish divergence there, right? For potential action to the upside, right? And we're moving up on that bullish divergence, which is fine. Low, high, possible, low, high. Bring that again. That's low, high, negative, less negative, low, high. Dude, not really doing a lot. It just looks like it's moving sideways lately, but let's see if we can have some divergence here. Low, high, negative, more negative, low, high. Nothing bullish, nothing bearish, man. All right, just consolidating sideways some Tezos. So I'm not looking too bad. Last thing we had back here was this bearish divergence, moving this down very close to 20, and then we popped. Then we probably still created that bearish divergence. So we had to here, and then, you know, we would have gone here, and this would have tracked down to there, and, you know, this would have tracked down to there. You know, it already played here, moved down slightly, and then pumped, and we created that bearish divergence again, and moved back down. So great. I'll give for Tezos, man. Or sorry, for Maker. Yeah, it's moving sideways right now. Just consolidating at 2,612 right now. Let's go to EOS. Sorry, man, I didn't get that. Cool. So after EOS, I'm actually gonna go get water refill. I'm out of water. Sorry, not if, yeah, after EOS, I'm gonna get a glass of water, come back and recap Bitcoin, right? EOS at $4.27. Let's get to the daily, see what it's doing, man. We didn't have anything. We had this bullish divergence, pumping up like crazy, going higher on the MACD and the RSI. So everything's good, nothing bearish. Got above that 618, right? Targeting that 786. We're floating in the middle of that channel. I'm not seeing anything else. Let's go to the 4 hour because the daily looks good so far. High, higher, positive, more positive, and high, higher still. Just in this last bit on the 4 hour, up here on this top, we created some bearish divergence, strong. And, you know, we're starting to get that small move to the downside. I mean, I'm not sure how strong the move is going to be right now. We don't have a lot of targets, unfortunately, in this area. But we get the target here where we closed at 4.17. We're going to drop to $4.02. I don't think the 20 is going to be the primary target, but, you know, maybe here at the $4.02. Could try to hold support there. Maybe create some hidden bullish divergence with that drop, right? Low, high, negative, more negative, which could give us action to the upside again. Or at least some support at that area. Or we bought at 75.96. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Right. So again, here, high to a higher high. And high to low and high to low. Strong bearish divergence, actually downside, moving down slightly. Low, high, negative, less negative or positive, low, high. Nothing here. That's it, dude. That's what we have. Bearish divergence, potential movement to the downside. We're trying to flag or move down slightly on consolidation. Could try to break up again, hit that 786, or we could just drop and hit that 236, which right now would have the 20 moving average sitting right on it as well. And that could give some support as well, like we said. And have maybe some hidden bullish divergence with that drop. We'll be making definitely some negative momentum, maybe a little bit more. Low, high, negative, more negative momentum, right? So that's gonna be it for EOS. I'm gonna be right back, guys. Gonna just get more water real quick. Thank you for being here. Again, this is The Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. Stick with me for a second. I'll be right back. I'm back. Thank you for sticking with me through that small intermission. I was coming back in to sit down, and the wife came through with the tea connect, so I got my nice cup of tea here, and that's pretty cool. So at least I didn't have to take an immediate break after sitting down, which is pretty cool. Thank you guys for sticking with me, man. Thank you all for being here. Again, if you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit the like button, sub. This to the crypto. Let's keep rolling. What's up next? Bitcoin recap. Where's Bitcoin at? 46,081. See, we pulled back up a little bit. Great. We're still trying to hold on to this hidden bullish divergence. We're not out of the woods, right? We're not out of the woods by any means, but we're trying to hold on to that. A lot of people panicking. It's fine. We don't panic. We don't panic. We can still drop more, right? Just to be honest. So we can drop a little bit more. And still have this hidden divergence. We can even drop here again. Then we can even drop more and then make something else. So not really worried yet. Looking not too bad. We're flagging. We're consolidating. We're fighting for this area. That's fine. Let's go to Bitcoin. Sorry, Ethereum. 1,788, man. Still also, right? Came back down, hit that 20. We talked about that. Pushing back up, looking good. Potential double top forming. We don't know yet until we break this confirmation line at 1,729, which we just placed as a potential support. You can see we hit it there. Again, we also have this line here, this blue line as support for Ethereum. That's it for the recaps again. Just real quick stuff. So not a lot happening. We're not really dying on Bitcoin right now. Up next, eGold. Let's go check it. Let's go to the daily, man. So I'm looking at eGold. This is going insanely high. It went parabolic. We knew about this. We knew we were having bullish conditions. I told you guys, you're in bull markets, bearish indicators have a lesser chance of playing out. I forgot to put Seamus back on the shoulder. I set it down, man. There we are. So Seamus back here. Awesome. Well, let's keep going, man. There we are. Hope that didn't come through the mic. I needed to adjust it real quick. Again, $204, not doing that bad for this project. But again, going too high, nothing bearish. It's just really highly overbought, 96.64. And like I was saying earlier, right, on extreme bullish conditions, market can stay overbought for a long time. It wouldn't really matter. And we're just super bullish, right? 4-hour chart, we were creating some bearish divergence up here. Me at the here. And right here and then from high to low as well, right? So bearish divergence, strong potential fraction to the downside. We're not even breaking down, we're just moving sideways. We failed to get higher on the previous high, could bring some action to the downside, but again, it's really, really bullish, man. Still overbought at 73.20. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Higher positive response. Great. We had bearish divergence, moved down, hit that 20 pop. Awesome. On that move, higher, right? We could have gone higher here, moved down to 20, popped again, which is precisely what happened, right? That would have been this would have been the equivalent of me anchoring. I'll show it here on the bottom. So from here to here on the first one, right? So from here to here, and then, you know, taking off and really going to the new island for that bearish divergence. Again, the same would have happened here on the other side, right? To there and to there. So strong bearish divergence, actually downside, going down to that low, high. Negative, less negative, low, high. So with that being said, here we did create some hidden bullish for this pump to happen. Negative, more negative, right? And low and also lower on the other side. So again, looking good for eGold right now, just moving sideways more or less, but still managing to hold on above that 20. I like that, dude. That's like it fighting to stay bullish. That's good. That's okay. Let's see if we can manage to hold on to that 20 and take another pop. We don't have anything else building up that is bullish. So last thing in play is the bearish divergence, right? We could be trying to go down. But again, I'm gonna be a little bit reserved right now with Eagle. Ramp DeFi. Okay, I'm not even sure if I'm gonna be able to find that, but Ramp DeFi. Just here. It should be this one, I guess. Ramp DeFi. Here we go. Ramp to ATH. Right, let's get on the daily, man. Let's see what this is doing. Not a very old project. We don't have a lot of data. We do have some strong bearish divergence, though. That has already been built. Potential action to downside. We can also do fibs. Yeah, I like that. Low to high, high to low, right? And also high to low against the RSI. So potential strong bearish divergence, potential for action to downside. We're moving down on that. Low, high, low, negative, more negative. Nothing bullish right now. And the fibs that I'm going to draw are just going to go from here to here, right? Again, not the greatest fibs ever, but you know, it is what we have, and we're bouncing at the 618 at 0.000129133333, right? So whatever. Very, very tiny number for this project. Again, look at that. In that bounce, hitting that 50, retracing, and like rejecting it. They're just so tiny fibs. It's like a joke looking at fibs at this scale, but you know, they could work out, you know, it's fine. Actually, let me anchor this here and adjust everything to its actual closing here, and adjust this one to that low over there. Let's see how we're doing here on the 4 hour again. Have bearish divergence here, back here, right? Fraction to downside, that's what's moving us down here on ramp. Let's get this here on the 4 hour chart, and let's get this here on the daily. That's fine. Here and here as well. Then as we're coming lower, right? As we're coming lower, even in this lower bit, we're creating some strong bullish divergence. And I'll just go from here to here all the way, and from here to here, right? So strong bullish divergence, action to the upside, taking that small pop, high low. Dude, some hidden bearish divergence. That's why it's raining on our parade and moving it down again. Oh no, we have some hidden bearish divergence to come in and move us down, right? So there we go, man. And then we have it also against the RSI. This really sucks, man. We have it twice against MACD and the RSI. So action to downside, right? I think here we might have some bearish divergence on the 1 hour. A strong bearish divergence. I'm just gonna send this to the 1 hour and check it out in a second, but I believe we might be creating some bearish divergence also here. Let's go there, man. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Yep. But it looks a bit, yep. All right. So higher high. Then this is 77.69, and this is one more tick. There we go. 77.11. So 77.69, 77.11, slightly lower. Strong bearish divergence action to the downside, right? The 1 hour, great. Let's move in here. I think we might also have it. We might also have it. Yeah, we have it here. It's just very, very hard to see, but also high to low here as well. Strong bearish divergence moving down to that low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower, man. That's great. That's it. Nothing bullish right now. Oh, high, negative, less negative. Right. Sold at 39.68. Right. So ramp DeFi again. Some bearish divergence happening in between that 618 and that 50% on the retrace on the fibs. Not looking too bad. Again, some bearish divergence there, but we'll see. Again, market conditions for everything is bullish. This might just be like contagious for ramp to catch that bullish divergence or some bullishness and start pumping right again. Let's roll. Let's go to Matic. Oh, Matic and ramp I was supposed to switch on spot, but anyways. Matic. Where's Matic going, man? Here we go. Matic at 11.53 cents. Again, going super high, right? Got above that 236. No, 236. It's the 3618, I think. 2618. Yeah, there we go. The 2618. And still trying to run higher. Nothing bearish, man, by any means. Overbought at 90.15 again. Highly overbought. All these projects had just keep on running, man. And it's pretty cool, man. Thank you, Brad, for being here, man. I appreciate it. High, positive, more positive, and higher, still. Overbought at 86.76. That's it for this. Nothing bearish, man. I'm also not seeing anything bullish. It's just going insanely high, dude. It's just like, you know, I wouldn't be getting into this right now. I mean, it can still go higher. I just wouldn't be getting into it on the principle that, look, this train already left the station. It's going on full speed. It's traveling at terminal velocity, and the chances of you getting wrecked are higher on the account that, you know, you're trying to catch a bullet basically, and it's too high right now, right? So again, big chance that it could come back down crashing or higher. We haven't retraced. We just flagged a little bit here around this area, but we really haven't retraced. So I'm not really. For me, I'll just be, if I would get in here, I would be really worried about a drop happening. Craig, thank you, man. Thank you for being here, man. I appreciate it. Bearish divergence, actually downside again, potentially. That's what we have for Matic. That's what I'm going to leave it at. Again, wrong bearish divergence. Let's go to XLM. And the list keeps moving. Oh, man. There we go. Last thing we had for XLM was bullish divergence. We're pumping in that. Let's see. On the daily, we have bearish divergence. We've kept tracking it, and I've said, dude, it might not play out, right? We're in a bull market. Bullish indicators, you know the story. We're above the 236 here and heading back to the 0, at least in this chart, getting back to 100%. Nothing else developing here, just overbought at 71.15. Let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we did manage to pump higher, so higher, positive, more positive, higher, slightly higher, I believe. Yes, very, very slightly higher, man. Here we go. And we're definitely coming from positive to negative, right? So we're looking for some bearish divergence here against MACD and the RSI, right? So positive to negative, and then high to low, right? So again, a strong bearish divergence, potential fraction of the downside. Trying to get that move. Primary target will be the 20 moving average. That is sitting at 39.25 cents. Dude, am I glad this is sitting here? I got some free XLM a while back. They're probably doing really good. I can't even remember what I got them at. Sorry, guys. Something started to sound really off in here. So. Is ETU at the back from Discord here? I'm not sure, man. Bearish divergence, potential fraction of downside. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour, man, again, last we had was this bullish divergence, pumping in that is fine. Low, high, positive, more positive, high, low, high, low, nothing bearish, right? I think this is higher. Or is it higher, man? Now I wonder. I think I might have moved the mouse accidentally. Here we go. Oh, it is slightly higher. Oh, damn. I mean, we could technically say we're going slightly higher, or if you just want to say it's sideways motion, that also works. If you just want to say sideways motion, guess what? We also have medium bearish divergence. So bearish divergence nonetheless, strong or medium, still there. Action to downside, going down, hit that 20, which is good. And again, trying to recover. We'll see how this recovery comes because we don't have anything else. Low, lower, negative, or negative, low, lower, right? Nothing bullish. That's it for XLM, dude. Let's go to Tel now. Tel. What's wrong with this? Not letting me type here. Right, so Tel. 5 solids back. 5 solids black box. Check out BNB. That was going crazy. You're making good on it. Trading that one. Yo, dude, thank you for being here, man. I much appreciate it. I already checked it out earlier. I'll do it again on a recap if you don't mind. So if you stick around for that, I'll definitely check it out. Binance, right? So I'll put it here. I'm gonna recap after. Let's see. After Reef. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3 more projects, and I'll recap, right? So after Tel, 2 projects. Go Tel.
Sorry, having a stroke is
Okay, I'm trying not to laugh that hard now because my cheeks are really hurting, man. Like, it's painful to laugh now. Oh, damn. Oh, dude. Dude, how long is that? Did it finish reading it? I think it did, dude. Thank you very much for that, dude. I appreciate it.
Say it with me.
Legendary, man. Thank you so much. There you go, man. Yo, there you go, man. Thank you very much for that. I really appreciate that, man. And we didn't do the one up. There we go. Oh, dude. Thanks, man. Oh, bro. That was fun. My back's starting to hurt. That new chair is really going to come in really in handy throughout the day, man. Because now, by the time I do the streams, it just starts to go insane. Brand, there you go, man. The hype horn for you, man. I think you like the horn of hype. So we'll do it, man. We'll oblige.
The do the binds.
Do the binds, right? We're breaking below the 4618. So again, the highest point that we have here. And why am I going from here, man? When, you know, because we didn't have anything valid. But now, guess what? I'm going to shift. I want to do magic. I'm going to shift. This thing's, look, they're going to go to here. Oh, I'm going to consider this a high. I'm not sure if this was legit or not, right? So I'm afraid this might have been FOMO or something weird happening. Maybe listing day. Sometimes we get weird data. So I might rather go with where we have something else happening, which would be here. And on this note, we're actually bouncing and hitting a good retrace, and we're going to see where we're at, right? We're hitting very close to 100%. We're below the 786, which, again, it's okay. I got to reposition this. This is being weird. Zoom in. There we go. Right. 786 breaking back below that area. That's fine. We don't have. Do we? Do we or do we not? Let's see. 9302 and 91. Oh man, there we go. High to low. Some strong bearish divergence, man. That was insane, man. I think. I hope you're okay, man. I hope you're not really having a stroke, bro. Oh man. I'll wait, man. The list's already full, bro. I'll put it in the queue, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to get to it, man. Excellent. As we are right now, I'm really far behind the list because, yeah, this is crazy. I mean, I can do stocks at night. I don't mind. It's just the list already got full. But you coming tomorrow morning, man. Not morning, tomorrow midday or whatever time is for you. 1 p.m. Central for me, and I can check out that. Right? Has Seamus been injecting me with some type of drugs? No. Bought at bought at 80.59. Let's go to a 4-hour chart, man. This has been an insane night, dude. You missed it. It was hilarious, dude. If you catch it, recap, yeah, it's gonna be funny, dude. It's been a funny night. It's good. I like it. And yeah, it's been insane so far. Again, it's the second night in a row that's been an insane stream, dude. It's so crazy. I think these streams are like starting like this one hasn't topped yesterday by a long shot, but it was a lot funnier. Man. Let's get bearish divergence, strong action downside, moving down, hitting that 20, popping again. Look, we just hit that 786 on this 1 hour, 4-hour candle, and we're rejecting it, so that's fine. Sitting at 0.35 cents. Are we doing something bullish? Yeah, hidden bullish. That's why we're bouncing at that 20, right? We hit a 20, we're half hidden bullish, we're bouncing. Yay, bounce, bounce, bounce. And here we go, right? Make sure everything is on the 4-hour, low and lower, man. RSI at 60.78. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Oh. Again, it is right. Strong bearish divergence. Action downside, moving down. Hitting support or very close to support, hitting very close to 20, trying to bounce, failing to get higher in the previous high. And this is what I tell you guys sometimes, right? We failed to get higher in the previous high. We're looking for bearishness. We broke down again. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower, even from the previous low, right? Low, high. Then we have some hidden bullish. Great. So from here to here, we can anchor. Or I'll actually end it here. We try to hold support at the 786, and I'll tell you why in a second. Because I do believe we might be creating some bullish divergence. Strong, maybe. We don't have this against the RSI, just against MACD. We have it against the RSI. We go in the long term. So from here to here. And then what I'm looking at in the MACD right now, it's this move, right? I'm going to actually make this larger so you can see what I'm going to trace, because otherwise it's going to look flat. But I think this might be the highest point. Yep, from here to here. That should just anchor there. And what I'm looking at here is this move from here to here. Strong bullish divergence, right? Again, it's landed strong bullish divergence. It's within the same island. It's just there. And potential fraction to the upside, right? Ethereum claims 1,800. Great. And it's gone. Oh. I just read that. I get excited. And I was going to go check it out. But what are we rejecting? Look at this, right? Double resistance. The 786 and the 20 moving average. So we're hitting double resistance, moving down on that. And we'll see where the hell's going to go, right? Possibility on that rejection, trying to get lower on the previous low. Right? Do we have strong bullish? We could. Trying to get another crack at the 20 moving average and see if we can pump above it. But right now, not sure yet. We'll see, man. Someone asked for BQX. Well, we have looked at this against the dollar, but someone said against Bitcoin. So let's go against Bitcoin. Why not? The Bitcoin for BQX, man. Sitting at 5,285 sats. What's happening with DQX, man? High, higher, high, low. All right, first off, there's some strong bearish divergence on Voyager, whatever this coin's gonna be called. BQX. BQX, man. It sounds like something out of Burger King menu. I want a BQX, man, with bacon. Low, high, and negative. More negative, and then lower still, right? So strong bullish hidden bullish divergence for potential action to the upside. Let's see if that's going to materialize inside this motion, or at least try to get above that 20, because we're slightly below it right now. And that note, let's go to the 4-hour chart. Again, on the 4-hour chart, we did have some strong bearish divergence from here to here. From here to here. So on that, moving down, low, lower, negative, less negative, right? Strong bullish divergence. Potential action to the upside. And let's see if we're actually gonna get this to pump, because we did move up, hit that 20, and we reject. This is not looking too strong. If we hit the 20 and we reject, don't look too strong. But let's see. We still have plenty of time to try to get above that coin, man. Get that coin. Again, above that 20 moving average. AMP, dude, I don't think it's on the list, man. So I'm not gonna go through stuff that's not on the list. You about to hit the bed, man? Sorry, man. I lost the chat there. Here's to another profitable day. I just remember my favorite quote. Money enables to be, yeah. Cool, dude. I appreciate it. Thank you for being here, man. There you go, man. Before you walk out, porn off hype. And hope that is good for you, man. I'm glad that you guys are making profit. I'm glad that you guys are profitable, and thank you for being here and coming out and chilling out at the State of Crypto, man. Again, if you guys like what we do, hit the like button on the sub, join us on the Discord. We're neutral at 42.20. On that note, let's go to the 1-hour chart. Right, so the thing I'm looking at here is from way back here to way down here. And the reason I'm looking at this is because I think there's some bullish divergence going on, and I just want to confirm it. And I do believe we're going to have it against the RSI. It's just, let's see, 28.99, and here it's 30. So great, low to high. Strong bullish divergence, action to the opposite against the RSI. We don't have it against the MACD, right? Short term, though, on the MACD, low, lower, negative, less negative, right? And also lower here on, we don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD, strong bullish divergence. So we took that small pop. And guess what? It wasn't good enough to get rid of this divergence. Oh no, hidden bearish. Action to downside. We're moving down on that briefly. We don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. And again, just putting a damper in the positive momentum, going down, hitting that 20, holding support, because we have the strong bullish divergence still to come into play. So again, strong bullish trumps hidden bearish. With that, we could be looking for more action to the upside again. and maybe a reversal happen on that movement down. That's it for BQX to Bitcoin. Let's go to Reef. Fear. I was gonna write fear. Reef. There we go. Reef to the dollar. We've looked at this before. Great. Do we have fibs? I'm not sure, man. Also it's making an all-time high. This one, I am taking the previous high, so we're hitting that 618 and getting above that area. So the 1618, that's fine. Some bearish divergence starting to develop, but again, it's looking bullish. So you know, bull market, bearish indicators, lesser chance of playing out, right? Let's keep rolling with this, man. High low and then high to low as well. Right. So bearish divergence. On that note, let's go to the 4-hour chart. High and higher. All right, let's get this on the 4-hour chart for everyone. For just good order's sake, and then everyone's peace of mind, because then when we get the other charts, it's just very messy, man. But there we go, man. For our chart, strong bearish divergence, actually downside, starting to develop low, lower, negative, low, lower. So let's go back here, man. I'm gonna ignore this back here. So I'm not gonna call anything bullish right now for this. Low, lower, lower. Yeah, I'm not gonna call anything bullish. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Hey, Bernardo Costa, what's up, man?
What's up?
Never been here. What's the Tesla information like? I'm not sure, man. Let's get this on the 1-hour chart and keep moving. Right on. So strong bearish divergence, first thing that pops into my head as soon as I see this chart, right? This is very, very obvious to catch. So again, once you start to see the patterns and what they look like, and when you spot them, it's just very easy to draw them, right? So again, it's just a matter of getting used to it. So we're coming up higher. We do have this small island. I'm going to ignore it. I'm just going to consider this as one island of positive momentum. I'm going to go high to low here as well. So strong bearish divergence, actually downside, starting to move down, hitting that 20 back here. We could be hitting the 20 here again for support. And I mean, even though I don't want to acknowledge some of the small islands, but we do have this hidden bullish building up here. And with that action to the upside, we also have it against the RSI. All right, so from here to here. Again, action to the upside, in that pump. Great bearish divergence, potential for moving to the downside. We're getting it. We haven't quite gotten to that 20 moving average, 0.033. We'll see how this is going to keep on behaving for Reef. Again, right, we have fibs, but above that 1618. And trying to hold on to it, right? Well, the wick below it, trying to pump and reverse that. We'll see. Right, so Reef, I said I was going to do recap after Reef. So let's go to Bitcoin and Ethereum and see what the market's at, man. Ooh, 46,308. Again, pushing back up slightly. Great. All the panic should be going now. In bullish, pumping back up slightly. Ethereum, 1,798. So it's probably been flirting with 1,800 a little bit. And again, nothing bullish, right? Again, bouncing out of 20. I said that was a good bounce. And we're starting to pump back up slightly. That's fine. I hope we get rid of this potential double top, man. I don't want to see this double top coming into play. I mean, it wouldn't be bad. It would get us to go lower, maybe here at 1,618. But I would really like it if Ethereum managed to consolidate this area a little bit longer and maybe try to pump and get above its previous all-time high and then still be on an uptrend, right? Binance is insane. Yeah. Someone said recap Binance. We're going to do that. And also someone said recap ADA. So we're also going to recap that. Binance 133. Dude, it's still making the all-time highs. Dude, it's good. Remember what we said. Bull market, bearish indicators, lesser chance of playing out. So this one's probably from It's from the daily? Dude, it makes no sense here. Because it didn't play, that's why. But here we go. Let's get rid of this here, man. Here we go. Let's go 4-hour chart. I think we're shaking this one off. 91, 38, and 93. So yeah, also going higher, right? And with that, we're getting rid of this divergence as well. And let's go to the 1-hour chart. The 1-hour chart, we're looking for this bearish divergence. We still have it slightly, but you know, it's being really bullish. I told you guys it's being really bullish. So you know, as we're still going higher, we still have this strong bearish divergence. Potential fraction downside. We know it's probably not going to play out because it's just going insanely high, man. All right. We're gonna come back to Binance later on. Let's get to ADA. I need to find it. It's gonna be right here. ADA $2 at 77.44, going up slightly. Great. It's starting to hold on to its level. Remember, we said we're potentially flagging. We moved up, had the bullish divergence. Nothing bearish happening right now. So it would be good, man. I would have loved a retest of this area, create that hidden bullish or something, and then pumped. But if we pump from here, that's fine as well. Bought at 68.72. Let's get to DGV, man. Satoshi Nakamoto, hello, how are you? I'm good, thank you for asking. How are you? Have you been here? Let's go to the daily. Don't have anything bearish again. Overbought at 78.34. So let's go to the 4-hour. We're above that 1618. Again, we came very close finding that support. We have this hidden bullish divergence. Action to the upside. Higher possible as possible. Great, man. And bearish divergence starting to develop here. Potential fraction to downside. And we'll see where we're going to go from there. Dang it. Here we go. Soldier Boy, thank you for being here, man. Is it a good time to buy Ethereum now? Not sure, bro. Can I give you financial advice, man? You got to make up your own mind. You probably could buy Ethereum if you want it. And hold it. That'll be cool. Can I please check on Ethereum? Yeah, I can do a recap in a little bit. I just did a recap. Hi, North. Thank you for being here. Yeah, strong bearish divergence, section downside, moving down, hitting that 1618, pumping slightly, high, low, positive, high, low. Bought at 69.21. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Right on. Low, high. Right, so low, higher, low, and then negative, more negative. Right, and low, lower on the other side. So again, with that, some strong bullish divergence, potential fraction to the upside. That's pretty cool. What's up? Is the no financial advice a YouTube thing or just a personal thing? I think it's both, right? If anything that you say is interpreted as financial advice or you're giving it financial advice, you can get into a lot of trouble. So, sure, man. I'm not sure. Did we do TRX today? If it's not on the list, I cannot check it because the list is already full, man. I don't even think TRX made the list. So no, I'm sorry, man. I'm not gonna be able to do Tron because the list is already full, man. Again, DGB. Let's roll. High, slightly higher. And then we're definitely coming from high to positive to negative and high to low on there. So some strong bearish divergence being built here for potential action to downside again. I would love to have anchored to a positive momentum, but it's there right now. Could give some move to the downside again. We move down to that 20. We're trying to find support. Not seeing it with the best volume in between the 1 hour candles. Maybe it's just this exchange, but right now Again, some bearish divergence, strong potential for action to downside. Trying to hold on to that 20. Let's see if we can materialize this into an actual somethingness. Because, I mean, it is in a slight uptrend. So let's see if we can keep on that uptrend at least. Ethereum Classic going to the moon. Great, man. Yeah, I think so. It could be, man. We already checked it earlier, right? It was pumping a lot. Aave. Theo. Cool, man. That sucks, bro. How did you wreck your car? Let's go to the daily. Again, starting to create some bearish divergence. I'm not going to put a lot of weight into it. Market's extremely bullish for Aave. Oh, Jake's not a bot, dude. Jake's actually a human being with feelings. Don't hurt him. He'll time you out. Anyways, there's strong bearish divergence, potential for action to the downside. Not seeing anything else that is bullish. That move down again could get us to $417. We're just going extremely high since inception. So there's like we're in price discovery mode. No divergence, or sorry, no fibs are gonna give us targets right now. Hey, Martin and Seamus, make that money. Dude, I should get a cash register sound. I'm gonna write it here because I don't have a cash register sound. Sorry, guys, I just hit the mic accent. Ka-ching, right? Yeah. What were we doing here, man? This is from the 1 hour. Like it makes no sense where it's at. Yep. Lesson this to the 1 hour. This is matched with that. So this goes to the 1 hour. It also goes to no. See why I hate forgetting to do stuff on the charts? It's just, dude, makes it so much worse when I come in and have to do all the cleanup, man. Let's get this all to the 1 hour chart. And let's see what we have here on Aave. So on Aave, man, let's see. Do we have this island here? So high, low, positive, high, low, right? And then low, high, positive, more positive, high, high, nothing bearish. That's what we have is this hidden bullish, again, rising into the upside. Very nice. If we just choose to ignore this because it's just one island and it means nothing, we could go high to low and go low to high on the price, right? From here to here, and with that we have that bullish divergence. Sorry, that bullish.
Sorry.
The strong bearish divergence for potential action to downside against the MACD and the RSI. Against the RSI, we definitely have it, right? Because we can ignore this island here, but against the MACD, if you want to ignore this small positive right now, strong bearish divergence on the 1 hour chart. Let's go. Binance pump. Yeah, we talked about that. Very nice. Holland, strong arm. Awesome, dude. Thank you for being here.
What's up?
Low high, dude. Just let me check here. I'm actually gonna have some in. So more positive momentum. I think we're also going higher on there. So 73, 74, right? Definitely higher. So nothing bearish on the 1 hour chart for Aave. Bearish divergence that we were trying to hear obviously didn't play. We went higher and went higher on all accounts. So no bearish divergence. We talked about that, right? Possibility that it not playing out. Low high, negative. Are we going more negative? Actually, gonna have some in here. No, negative, more negative. Yeah. Negative momentum, slightly more negative momentum, right? This is all gonna be on the 1 hour. There we go. Then we're going low to high as well, right? So some hidden divergence here, hidden bullish. Potential action to the upside. Running up on that. Great. Zoom in here a little bit more. Low, lower. Right. So this just gave us a stagnation, and this was going to give us a pump. Right, this bullish divergence that we had back here. So again, this is on retrospect, right? The retrospect is easier. But again, right now we don't have anything bearish, so just overbought at 74.13. That's it. That's it for Aave, man. Let's go to bat. That episode from South Park is so good, and it's gone. Yep, I remember that one. Well, that one's an old one. By the way, guys, if you like what we do, hit like the button, sub, join us on the Discord, links in the description. Let's go to bat. The bat. I like that, dude. I think I'm getting a good feeling for bat. We did get this bat chair here, so very nice chair with bat. So let's see if this is a something as that Batman might be good. False lights, just keep learning and growing. You'll be a full-time streaming in no time. Thanks, man. Hope so. That'll be really legit. That'll be tight. Well, let's get a bat to the dollar, man. 0.4356. All right, so 43.56 cents. Let's get on the daily, see what's happening here, man. High, higher high, possible, positive high, higher high, man. Nothing bearish. Hitting the 1618, I think, on a larger time scale, maybe. Nope, the 382 from high to low. Right, the 382. And getting above that area, so nice. We got above the previous high here. That is fine. I want to get rid of this one. We no longer need it. It's just gonna make it cluttered. And yeah, moving up again, closed above that area, right? That 382. So again, now we held it as support on the next bounce, and now moving up higher. So great. And we are we're bought at 75.45. So let's go to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, we're definitely developing a lot of bearish divergence, high to low. Right on the 4-hour chart, and we're going low to high on the price. So with that, we're getting this action to the upside, right, from here to here. And again, potential for action to downside on the strong bearish divergence we have against the MACD and the RSI just from here to here again, but it still plays, right? It's low to high. So again, strong bearish divergence, potential for action to downside. We do have a trend line here that we can also draw like this, right? So again, upsloping trend line. No, I don't want to layer it. There we go. And we just bounced off it and pumping up higher, right? So again, we do have support. It's not looking that bad. Oh, sorry, man. I'm not sure. In the voice of Moon Carl. Moon Carl voice 1800. It's shoot? His knees or something when he was saying Ethereum? I'm not sure. Anyways, bearish divergence. Action downside eventually. Let's see if that's going to hit. Could get us to the 20 moving average at 41.06. 41.06, yeah. Let's go to the 4-hour. The 1-hour chart. I'm getting tongue-tied now. High to low, and definitely low to high here. What? That was the bot. I was like, saw something red, and it was the bot. I was like, oh. I got excited for nothing. I got excited for a bot. Dang it. We do have this bearish divergence, right? Strong potential action downside, moving down slightly. Really dropping to that 40-cent mark, but we're managing to hold on to that 20. Still moving down in that bearish divergence, holding on to that support at the 20 moving average. Lower. We did create some strong bullish divergence here. Again, very, very short-term strong bullish divergence for that pump to happen. Right here and from here to here. Great. Some bearish divergence moving down, hitting that 20 and about to move there, right? Let's see if we can bounce at the 20. Sometimes we do that, and that's usually bullish. And we could try to go higher. What makes me worry a little bit is look at how much positive momentum we had here. So anything that goes higher really needs to pump up a lot. Otherwise, we're going to create some strong bearish divergence immediately, and it's going to start putting pressure on the price. Or it could start putting pressure on the price to the downside. That being said, for BAT, let's move on to new. And new. Here we go. Let's check it, man. Zach McAdams, do I know anything about mining? You're considering it. You want to know if you should mine Ethereum or Ethereum Classic, or maybe Zcash. Bro, no, I don't mine actually, but Jake mines, and he posted up some links on the Discord to some other YouTubers that actually mine and talk about mining. So if you want to check out our Discord, there's something there, and that could really help you out, maybe point you in the right direction. So that could be good for you, man. Roosevelt Hernandez, dude. I've already done the list. It's already closed. There's a lot of requests over the list, and I'm not even sure if I'm able to do them tonight, man. Just to be honest, I'm starting to get tired. Matic was a rerun, but yeah. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to get through the whole list, man. What stocks should you buy into? I'm not sure. I cannot give you that advice. You gotta determine what stocks you think are gonna go up or might be gapping up. But again, I cannot give you advice on that, unfortunately. Let's go to new. Then we have the strong bearish divergence, potential fraction to the downside. We would also have it here. It's like this, right? Placed it the wrong way. There we go. Oh, there we are. Everything's anchored. Great. Some strong bearish divergence, potential for action to the downside. Again, a new same thing, right, with the fibs. We don't have actual 50 target to because we have made a valid retrace. So we're still going up higher. And on that note, yep, strong bearish divergence again. You know, upsloping flag consolidation. We can even look at this as sort of you know, rising channel, rising wedge. Those usually tend to break to the downside, but again, market conditions are extremely bullish, bearish indicators. That's your chance of playing out. Again, hidden bullish, nothing else happening, right? Low, high, negative, less negative, low, high. I'm not really seeing a lot here. So no point in dwelling on this project right now on the 4-hour chart. It's still at 54.78, and again, above that 20 moving average, which is okay. That's bullish. Let's get to the 1-hour chart. Again, bullish divergence, moving up on here. Are we creating anything bearish? Yes, we're finally creating some strong bearish divergence here. Low to high. I remember yesterday we didn't have anything, so it was like, yeah, no, whatever, man. But today we do have this. Look, high to low. And we don't have it against the R side. Just against the MACD, strong bearish divergence. Potential fraction downside, moving down slightly, hitting that 20. And it looks like it might get a bounce, which we're getting. I'm not sure if that bounce is going to get us above the previous high, which again, would just be making a little bit less positive momentum, and then we would probably still have bearish divergence here against the MACD, and then probably against the RSI, and then potentially put pressure for the price to move down again on new. Let's go check out Sushi. Someone wants sushi, man. Dude, talking about food makes me hungry. Sushi. Let's go do sushi rolls. $14.45. Let's go on the daily. We didn't have anything here. We're just going higher. That's fine. Holding support at the 1618. Look at that. Very nice support at the 1618. Awesome. Hoping at high low, plus it was positive high low on the other side. Bought at 69.34. Let's go to the 4-hour chart, man. Bring facts. Ethereum at 1,803. It's back. Yo, we'll check it out. Again, we had the bearish divergence. For some reason, I lost this one here. Yep, looks like I lost the line. So from here to here. Here we go, man. And I think that's where we're at. We got that small move and then that pump. And on this pump, we didn't have anything because we didn't have anything yet. We're creating this strong bearish divergence fraction to the downside. Oh no, we're moving down. What is this here, man? 76, and this is 76.24, 76.09, slightly higher. We just have this against the MACD, moving down on that low, high, negative, or negative, right? And I can even go from here to here. There's a tiny island here. I could, like, really, I could just come from all the way back here, and it'll still work. So I'll just go with that one. It's on the 4-hour now. Everything's good. Negative, more negative, and then from here to here, right? So strong bullish divergence section, the upside pumping out a little bit. High, low, positive, positive, high, low, neutral at 55.0, 55.06, man. That's for Sushi on the 4-hour again. Some hidden bullish, pumping us back up. We did have that strong bearish for the movement down. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. We haven't looked at Sushi since, or not Sushi, yeah, Sushi. For some reason, I thought we were looking at sashimi now. Dude, just Japanese food makes me hungry, man. I could dig some sushi right now. I think everywhere's closed because it's midnight. Oh, that sucks. I should have bought sushi earlier. Low high, positive was positive, right? First things I'm noticing here. And high to low as well here on the RSI. So bearish divergence, actually downside, moving down on that. Great. Negative, less negative. Awesome, dude. Every time we drop here on sushi, we are making some strong bullish divergence. I hate that this one didn't quite get to that 20. Would have been a really good target for a rejection. It just still managed to drop more. That just shows a little bit of weakness, I would say. And against the against the RSI, we also have this divergence right from here to here, and then from here to here. So again, with that, we're getting that small rally, high, low, low, high, some hidden bearish divergence against the RSI. And with that, we're getting the sideways motion, move down slightly, more or less sideways, but slightly down sloping motion. Pumping again, creating more bearish divergence still. From here to here, and from here to here, look at that, right? He's just building divergence after divergence, man. Again, we also have against the RSI, strong bearish divergence this time though. Strong bearish divergence, moving down slightly, hitting that 20 and bouncing, and now we're going higher still. And against the RSI, I do believe we might still be creating divergence. Yep, and still there, man. So still strong bearish divergence, and as we're coming up higher, so we just keep on building bearish divergence. It's just not going down with strength. That is bullish. Again, probably continuation of this bullishness back here. Low to high. Negative. More negative, right? That's it. Again, bearish divergence right now. Moving down, hitting that 20, finding support once more. XLM. Yeah, I think that was on the list. So yeah, we already looked at it. So I'll do a recap. Anthony, thank you for asking for that, man. Appreciate it. On that note, thank you for being here. If you like what we do, hit the like button, sub. 2 more projects, VNT and Sparta. And after that, I'll go back and do recaps, right? But that being said, guys, I need to take a really, really quick break. Stick with me for a second. Yeah, I've been drinking a lot of water, so I need to take a really quick break. Be right back, guys. I'm back. Thank you guys for sticking with me through that small intermission again. If you haven't done it, hit the like button, sub. Also, by the way, if you like Bitcoin news before the news hit, sometimes main sites, go check out Bitcoin Jake's channel. He does top 10 subreddit videos, and sometimes those news happen on Reddit before they actually hit some news outlets. So it's really interesting. Go check it out. He does really good stuff there. I think the videos are almost daily, just during the weeks, not on the weekdays, not on the weekends. Sorry, He almost does them every day on the weekday, and he's also posting them on the Discord. So if you want to go check out his channel, give him a sub, give him a like, and he's pretty awesome. He helps mod here, so go help out Jake. He does good stuff here. Again, that's it for Sushi. Let's go to BNT. BNT on the daily. AMG, thank you for being here. I much appreciate it. Yeah, he had the early scoop in the Blockfolio thing. Yep. Yeah, he gets a lot of like news before they happen. So he sometimes tells me like news that like, oh really? I didn't know that. He's like, yeah, it's already been on Reddit. And I'm like, oh, cool. I didn't know. He does get a lot of information beforehand sometimes, so it's good. He has a lot of good information sometimes. So again, strong bearish divergence, action and downside, hitting that very close to that 786. Potential for a movement down to that 618 at $2.41. The 786 at $2.94. Moving down again, potentially hitting that 618 if we were to get it. I'm not seeing anything here that is bullish, low, high, negative, less, negative, low, lower. All right, some hidden bullish. That could work. We got it at the 236 fib node, and see where that's gonna go, man. So again, pumped, bearish divergence. Let's see if it's gonna break us down. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Thoughts on XLM? Sure, when we recap it, we'll check it out, man. What? Oh, cool. Awesome. Someone pinged me for something. I'm not sure. Let's keep rolling. High, positive was positive, right? So first things I'm noticing again, bearish divergence strong. Potential action to the downside. Oh no. We're gonna break down. Potentially, right? I mean, we do have this strong bearish divergence. Seems like the end, the R side, but again, you know, it's kind of like those bearish indicators have been like a little bit lazy because they've not been playing out. We're bought at 71.13. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Let's get them to work, man. Get the bearish indicators to work, man. Someone fix them. Again, low to high. We're gonna go high to low, right? So check this out. Look, man, no hands. Boom. Strong bearish divergence. Actually, downside. We're not even moving down that strong. See what I'm talking about? We're building a lot of bearish divergence in a lot of charts. It's like bearish divergence is like, who cares about it? We're in a bull market. No time for bearishness, right? I don't think we did the link chart today. I don't think I have space to go through it, man. Thank you for asking, Hive North. Again, chart's full. Link wasn't on the list. I wish I could do more coins, but it's already midnight for me. And after 30 coins, I really started to get tired, man. And it's a lot of analysis, actually. I think I do a lot more. I'm not going to say that because I'm not sure if it's a fact, but I think I do a lot more analysis than a lot of other YouTubers. At least that's my feeling. A lot of other people just do a couple coins and that's it. I do 30 projects, man. It's a lot to look at. Let's go to Sparta. This is Sparta. And it's just against Binance. Great. Get some sleep. Health first. Yeah, I know. I do get sleep, man. I'm just like, by the time I do the 30th project, I'm starting to get tired. So I like to do 30 projects. I know that's a good frame. Yesterday I did a little bit more. I was fine. It just depends on how good the kids let me sleep at night. I have children, so there's like, it sucks sometimes that they wake up at night, but you know, hey, it's kids, man. So not a lot you can do, right? So they let me sleep a good night. I'm usually really good. Yesterday I actually had coffee prior to the stream because I was feeling tired, but it did a good job, so. And I do it mostly for free. Yeah, I think I do all of them for free, man. Yeah, like right now they've been waking up at night, so that's really, like, that really puts a damper on my sleep, and that really, you know, ruins the flow of the night, the quality of the sleep, I guess. Yesterday, like, I woke up at 3 in the morning and at 4 in the morning again, so when that happens, it's just, you know, and potty training a kid, so, like, my daughter wakes up because she needs to go to the restroom. At least she's waking up. She hasn't wet the bed yet, but it's really tiring. Jake, I was talking about your channel earlier, so if you want to put the links up for people to, like, know which channel it is, for the Reddit, and then we were talking about how you sometimes have the news before they happen, so good stuff. I think you might have been away walking the dogs or something, so walking the dags. Is that a dag? Ooh, you got them right one after the other one, man. That's crazy. Big turn to potty training? Yeah, potty training is tough sometimes, right? But yeah, so far, see your accidents. We'll see if we can keep that record going on. You're a lover, you're a mess. Oh, man. I'm sorry, Jake. Rare fruit tennis. What are you trading on? You're in Canada. Oh, okay, cool. I'm not trading right now. I'm actually looking at TradingView. It's a platform. It's free. You can use it to check out stuff. So tradingview.com. Oversold at 29.34. So potential action to the upside on Sparta against Binance. That's cool, man. That's it for Sparta, man. Again. Is this Sparta? Yes, this is Sparta. We just finished it, by the way. Is Cosmos on the list? No, Adam didn't make it either, man. Like, the list's right up there, man. It's crawling through it right under the where it says latest subscriber right now. It just rolls through there, right? It says no more coin requests because that's when we closed it. But all of the coins that start coming through, I start at 9 p.m. Central, right? So if you know that you're not going to be able to be here because of your time difference or whatever, join us on the Discord. Links in the description. Tell us who you are here on YouTube, and we'll give you access to pre-stream requests. And those are basically for free. You can just put a pre-stream request on the Discord, and what that will happen, or what that will do, is basically you can tell me, hey, put this coin and just do it, you know, 2 hours after you start the stream, and I'll just queue it up more or less after 2 hours, right? Or it gives me a queue of coins to start the stream with, right? And that's for real. It's just free, right? You don't even have to pay to get it, right? So it's just there. Look, pre-stream request for troopers. I forgot to put the thumbs up today, but you can just come in here and, like, look, Andrew queued at 1 p.m. Amay queued at 5, and then Jake queued at 7. So if you just, like, are not going to be here because of your time difference, I mean, I do give you guys an option where you can ask for coins prior to the stream starting, and that way we can do them either when you get here, you know, or whatever, and just say, look, you just wait for me to get to the stream and check it out. That's fine. I just won't put it on the list until you get here, and whenever you get here, you know, it's probably skip the queue or whatever. We'll figure it out, right? After you get here, we'll just queue the coin. I'll know that I have to leave a space open for it. But at least we do try to accommodate the request, right? Dynamic Motorsport Experience. What's up? Thanks for being here, man. So the list is full. We've gone through everything. There's another way to add coins to the list. I don't like to talk about it because I don't like to sound like I'm asking for donations or tips or anything like that. But if you come in here and the list is full and I said no more coins, and you basically send a donation attached to a request attached to a donation, then, you know, I'll oblige and do it because you're obviously kicking something back to me, and I'll obviously comply and check out the project that you want me to check out. But again, I'm not asking for tips or anything like that, right? This is a free stream. The coin list is free, basically, and if you tip something, yeah, your coin will skip the queue, and it's just like like doing you a solid because you're doing me a solid. So it's some quid pro quo there, but yeah, join us on the Discord, man. You can request stuff prior to the stream starting. And yeah, with that said, let's get the Discord out of the way and let's go check out Bitcoin Ethereum and see how they're doing, man. Because that's Bitcoin at 46,348. Again, moving up slightly, failed to get above the 20, but remember that hidden bullish divergence could do its magic and help us go higher. Ethereum at 1,818, it's recovering, man. It's wow. I think it just made a new all-time high. We missed it. I know. We missed it, man. The all-time high is at 1,827. Where are we at right now? Yeah, we made a new all-time high. There it goes. Ethereum made a new all-time high. Briefly, and then it pulled back down. But we're looking at 1,827.24. We had it at 1,826.28. Sorry, 27.14. 27.14. It's brief, but it was there, man. The all-time high. Same value in Binance. Awesome, dude. Right on. So Ethereum holding on, right? The bearish divergence, unfortunately, is still there, right? We haven't shaken it off. It just goes to there. That just goes to there. And then here in the short term, we have it against the RSI, man. Hey, bearish divergence, boo-boo. Let's keep rolling. Ooh, I see the basket with the sandwich, man. Dude, I'm gonna leave that there, man. I'm not gonna call that one. Oh, when I came back from the restroom, I forgot to get Shaman's back in my shoulder. Here it is, man. I felt like it was something missing, like my parrot was not my shoulder. I see. Shaman's now came back. Awesome. Woke up late, but here with a full appreciation, man. What about Ethereum? Coming back with vengeance. Ethereum hodler for life. Awesome, dude. Well, that's cool, man. If you want to hodl the project, that's fine.
ETH to the moon. Rocket. Thank you, Martin and Jake, for what you all do. Party face.
Yo, Madison, thank you very much for that kind donation. I really appreciate it.
Say it with me.
Legendary.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
I lost that horn. There we go. Thank you for being here. I really appreciate it. And yeah, thanks guys for the support with the donations, with the tips and everything, right? It's cool. I noticed the camera was a little bit too low. And the thing is, sometimes I slouch a little bit when I'm sitting here just from like the back hurting from all day being on this chair. But yeah, sometimes I slouch a little bit and something like I get cut off here. I'm trying to like not do that. That's why the mic's like right here. You can't see it, but it's like very close to my face. Like it's not even a hand's length away from my face. Here's something here. What?
Boris Fossinek Kosajst.
What the hell, man? Yo, it's crazy. Like, dude, what the Man, what the hell, dude? So crazy. Thank you very much for that, man.
LSKDGHL, SKDGHSL, ACT, SLDKGHS, LADXT, GHSDLK, GHSDG, LKSDH.
But like you're hard, dude. Thank you very much for that. Legendary, man. Thank you very much. There we go, dude. Thank you very much for the kind donation. Yo, guys, I appreciate you all for the awesome support you give to this channel. Like, very, dude, you've been like an awesome donator for the last streams, man. I think you've gotten, or like, hi, super chat. Your name's already showing up there, so that's good. Latest donation, it's also there, man. Some guys, the girlfriend diamonds, you gave yours Ethereum instead of crypto. Oh, that's cool, man. I really appreciate that. I'll give you a thank you for that awesome comment, man. Lake Virahar is the highest tipper now. He has out-tipped Alex Valero on there, man. Dude, Lake Virahar, you have like 3 titles up there. Highest super chat. What else is coming up here, dude? Latest tip. Latest no, it's not you, man. That's the latest super chat. That was Craig. What else, dude? You don't also have the highest tip. That has to be the highest amount on one tip. And you also have highest tipper, man. Wow, that's awesome. Thank you very much for that. I appreciate that, dude. That's so kind of you, man. Let's do another high point. It's been an awesome stream tonight as well, man. This is insane, dude. I know. I can also picture that. He was like, oh, here, I'm gonna send a donation. Hi. And it's like, send. It's like, and he's like, dude, I want to crash the freaking stream again. Oh, man. I wonder if he just like grabs the keyboard and like bangs it against the table and see like what comes through, man. That's a pretty cool donation, dude. I appreciate it. You guys made my laugh. You guys are making my night. I'm laughing so much tonight. Oh, dude, this is crazy. Oh, man. That's so nice. Thank you very much for everything. Oh, man. Oh, it's crazy, bro. What?
Guess I have this now as well.
Bro, that's insane. Yo.
Audience, say fatality. Legendary.
Thank you very much.
Dude, I'll give you a couple 1-ups for that. That's so crazy, dude. He's like hit like the jackpot of 1-ups, dude. Thank you so much for that. I really appreciate it. I actually never played that and do the fatality. I didn't do it the first time, so I'll just that's a replay. It's not another tip coming in.
Guess I have this now as well.
Fatality, right? That was like crazy, man. Yeah, it's like finish him. Fatality. Yeah, something crazy like that. Yo, that's insane, man. Thank you so much for the kind donation. Yeah, I think you just took all the spots, man. Highest tip. There you go, right? Like you have so many tips, man. Highest tipper. There you go, man. You have like 4 titles now. I think that's insane, bro. Now I'm gonna go get a tattoo and like put like Lake Virahar, sponsored by Lake Virahar on the arm, dude, or some crazy stuff like that. I never gotten a tattoo before. I don't think I'm ever gonna get a tattoo, but that would be crazy, man. Beyond Legendary Super Saiyan got Goku. Yeah, I know. It's like Super Saiyan Blue, Super Saiyan Kaioken, Goku, Ultra Instinct. Whatever we're gonna do, man. I need to find something crazy, man. That's insane, dude. Pedro, I know it's 2 freaking insane days, bro. It's too much, man. It's crazy, man. I'm gonna have to name my kid Lakvir. I know, that's what I told my wife. I was like, dude, if we have a kid, we'll probably name him. If we have another kid, we're gonna name him Lakvir. Dude, that's crazy, man. Wow, that's insane, man. That's so cool. Thank you very much for the kindness, man. I really appreciate it. It's so humbling to see you guys support the channel so much, support me so much, and the mods, because the mods also get kickbacks from this. Some of the mods, yeah, the main mods get kickbacks from this, I should say, not all the mods. But for example, Jake and Soka, who are the main guys here that are usually most of the nights and actually doing most of the spamming of the comments and then checking out and timing out, etc. They do get kickbacks from the tips. And yeah, that's pretty cool. I need to kill everyone. Yeah, I know, dude. That's Gemma. I actually said that earlier. Montaro was here. He gave me an awesome donation on Ethereum, and I actually said, dude, I think I'm gonna have to get a leprechaun costume just to like, you know, when Seamus comes out, like if we get to like a certain amount, I just like go be right back, man, jump into my leprechaun costume and just come in here. I might just be a hat to begin with, and and maybe like a suit. A jacket's gonna get really hot in this room, but yeah, wait until the day I donate 1 Bitcoin, dude. That day. You sure that day will come? I want to shit my pants if you do that, man. I think I literally will crap my pants. I hope I don't have the new chair. I don't want to be cleaning up a new chair because I'm probably gonna probably like poop my pants, bro. That's crazy, man. Shannon Linton, Center Crypto, you know this is Crypto College. Everyone's got to hook up the professor. Thanks, I appreciate that. Like I just made the last 2 days. I know, dude, it's crazy. That was really funny. Some people didn't like the comments. It made me laugh a lot, dude. I laughed so hard earlier today. My cheeks still hurt. My stomach was starting to hurt a little bit from laughing so much. I was like tears are coming out when I was laughing. It was crazy, man. Yo, that's insane. You'll shit for me? I know, dude. I think everyone's gonna shit their pants if ever a bit comes through, man. Like, I'm not even sure what I'm gonna do when that day happens. You got a few coins we're rolling. Yo, dude. Oh, it's crazy. That's insane, dude. Oh, man. I gotta like composure. Compose myself, man. It's so fun. You did so great tonight. I'm trying to like breathe and calm myself, but it's not happening, man. Oh man, gotta like take a glass of water, dude. Oh, I'm starting to like calm down now. It's good. That's so crazy, bro. Thank you very much for the kind donations, man. Everyone, not just like your heart. Everyone, thank you very much for the kind donations. I say that every time. I mean it every time. All donations, I appreciate all donations. Doesn't matter how big or small. You're like, it's a thing of like, I appreciate what you guys do for the channel. Starship Proto, thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. I can call you Lucky. That's your nickname. All right, we'll call you Lucky, dude. I did say yesterday you were my other lucky charm, dude. So. It's good to have you here, and I also have a leprechaun on my shoulder. That's crazy, man. Dude, this weekend we drink, yeah. Especially when we're looking at Sparta, because tonight we dine in hell. Yeah, dude, that's crazy. Oh, this weekend's gonna be insane, man. I already got whiskey here, so I'm good on alcohol. I also got beer in the fridge. Earlier today, I felt like going and grabbing a beer, but you know, it's Tuesday. You hope I buy the family some nice dinner with that money? Yeah, man, as soon as we get restaurants back open in Mexico City, I'll definitely take them out. The kids probably cannot go into places still because of COVID, but the wife and I can probably go somewhere. Probably gonna leave the kids at a friend's house and go out for dinner. I really appreciate it, for reals. This is crypto. I know, it's so insane, man. Madison, thank you very much, dude, for the awesome donation. I really appreciate it. You sent me a mustache. Great, a purple mustache. Thank you very much for that kind donation. Legendary. Thank you very much. There we go. Thank you very much, Madison, for the awesome donation. I really appreciate it. Yeah, actually, I think I gotta see how restaurants are in the next couple days, weeks, because we're still here on red in Mexico City, and a lot of places are closed. So, gotta take a wife with that later on for sure. Alex, can I work for you? You like that stash? Yeah, I like the stash. I have stashes. I have a stash. I like the stashes. This leprechaun also... No, he just has a orange beard. They work in a method to pay employees their benefits on crypto. Ooh, that's interesting. I would tell you to check out Strike. Check this. you obviously have Twitter, I guess. So go Global Strike, and this is by Jack Mallers. And basically, what you do, or you can do, it's like you can pay people every half an hour or every half second or whatever. But what he's doing, it's basically sending transfers even across borders extremely fast. I'm not sure if it's just fiat or crypto. Well, see, USD Bitcoin. There we go, right? Bitcoin. You can pay in Bitcoin, and it just goes really fast. So, right. So it's borderless. It's really cool. If you haven't checked this out, man, you can still pay in dollars here if you want, or you know. But check it out, dude. It's interesting. I do like what they're doing here on Strike. So I think it's an interesting concept, and I think we're gonna see a lot more of that. Oh, dude, what's going on here, man? I miss so much chat my time. Bring Fact says, you will literally quit your effing job right now and work for Canadian government doesn't like crypto at the time. Yeah, you get tax heavy. Oh, that sucks. You Canadian? Yeah. Portugal like your crypto paradise. You've seen Shakespeare, CoinSmart, and Coinberry. Right. That's cool, man. That's so insane, man. Tonight's stream's so crazy. Again, guys, thank you all for being here. If you like what we do, hit the like button, sub. Join us. Be a part of the community. This is awesome, dude. How about Dragon Chain? They're back in action. They were in the blockchain company. They have run the SEC so long ago. I think I heard about them. I just can't remember because I never got into anything to do with them. So, yeah, I think I heard about them. I'm not sure what they're doing though. Yeah, you should find like a fiscal paradise, man. You should become like a citizen of like Panama, and then just reside in Canada or whatever, and then don't get taxed there, or Costa Rica or some crazy or some nice country like that, right? The Bahamas, and that's that, right? I'll work out of the Bahamas. Screw the winter. Just like, oh, we have good internet here. Pro crypto and everything, right? Cayman Islands. Yep. But are they still that fiscal? I mean, I'm not sure if the U.S. has some power over there, but I'm not sure if they already comply with some stuff. But I know Panama's a fiscal paradise for some companies, and Costa Rica is also pretty cool with how they treat taxes there. So. That's so crazy, man. Oh, it's insane. It was such a good stream tonight, guys. I really appreciate you all. It's so cool to have the support of everyone here. With the views, with the likes. Like, forget the tips, just the views and the likes and the fact that you guys come in here and make my night. The comments, the laughs. Everything's so cool, man. I like this. I like doing this. Thank you guys for an awesome night. I'm still hanging out here for a little bit, so that's it. It's 12:30. I'm about to sign off in a couple minutes. It's just been crazy. Again, chair that we got, right? I put in the Discord. Already ordered. Should be arriving soonish, I guess. Because this one was actually one of the few ones that didn't have pre-order. And I liked it because it's all black. I was actually going to go for this one up here. For the stealth one. I liked it very much, but they had a pre-order. And, estimate delivery by the 8th of March. So I said, no way, man, that's too long. All these that said pre-order, they started to run out really quick. So I like the fact that the Batman is cool. It still looks black and good with some accents to it, right? I'll see if I can shift it. Here we go. Some accents to it. And I was also worried about this lines here and the leather or the PU leather not holding on. But I've gotten good reviews from them. Blackbeard told me that they're good. So I'm not worried because I think they also have what? Yo, that's crazy, man. Blackbeard, thank you very much for that, man. I really appreciate it.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man.
Thank you very much.
There you go, man. Thank you so much for your kind donation, man. I really appreciate it. That's so cool, man. I think you're gonna go high there as well, man. Now, I'm like you're getting really far from everyone else. You totally want that chair now? Yeah, I know, right? If you get sick of the donations, I don't think you can stop me though. I don't think I'm gonna get sick of the donations. They're always appreciated, man. I mean, at some point in time, like I said the other day, I hope that this becomes my full-time job someday. So it needs to like be making what I make or a little bit more for that to be able to happen, right? So yeah, but it's really nice. Thank you guys for the donations. I really appreciate you all, man. Dragon all-time high was 5. They're sitting at 0.10. Tika's I'm not sure who Tika is. Interesting, Shanna. Are you in the Discord? If you have some information you want to share with people, you can put it there, right? I'm not sure how good it's gonna be, but it could be good, right? If it's at 10 cents and it used to be worth $5, I mean, and they're out of trouble with the SEC and everything else, it could be, right? Bullish divergence in the donations. I know, dude. No, bullish. Yeah, strong bullish divergence in the donations. We're pumping. There is no resistance right now. Like, resistance keeps getting blown out of the water every time on donations. I mean, that's so crazy. Again, Ethereum, gotta try to run again. Bitcoin pulling back slightly. We'll see. No, pushing up. Great. Hitting that 20 again. Let's go, Bitcoin, man. Check out Cloud9 share. Right, sure, man. I'll check it out. I'm not sure if you're still here. I was looking for it earlier, but it's not on the models here, I think. So, oh, Cloud9, here it is. On the esports. This one's nice. I like it, man. I like the blue accents. That looks pretty good, man. I like the Lannister ones also. This one I think looks really cool. My wife didn't like it. She's like, that don't look that good. I was like, dude, I love Game of Thrones. The Stark ones I didn't like because of the white leather. It's very easy to get dirty, I think. So, one for the Batman. The Joker's really nice as well. Soko was telling me that he actually wants this one. So I think it's pretty cool with the ha all over the place. And then the Cloud9 one, I liked it. I didn't look too much at the eSport ones, mainly because a lot of them had lag orders on the, so you have to wait a little bit more. What will Ethereum get to this weekend? Well, yeah, that's a good question, man. We're trying to say if we're gonna make new all-time highs again. But if we manage to hold on to the bullish momentums that we have been building, and crypto's still super bullish, we can still be looking for more action to the upside. So again, yeah, this one's nice, man. I liked it. I like this one. I like this one? Yeah, I like this one by the design. Not the back, though, but the front looks good. I can't remember which other one I was looking at. I was looking at a couple of these models. Ash also I liked, and the Stealth, right? The Stealth in the black. Just so you know, since I still have a day job and I do get on conferences and calls with the clients, I really didn't want to be sitting in a chair that was really colorful. So I picked up something a little bit more neutral, right? And I don't think this is going to show a lot. So it's still going to be a good chair to sit on, and I'm going to be able to admire it. But it's still sober enough to, you know, where right now I'm not going to be like, this dude is not looking so professional. He's sitting on a purple Joker chair or a red bright chair, right? So, you know, so I ended up going with something a little bit more neutral for now. And I still like Batman, right? Yesterday I had a Batman shirt on. All that back there is Lego Batman. There's a lot of Batmobiles up there. So yeah, I don't mind having a Batman. It would be really tight if these guys would have done a Deadpool chair. I think a Deadpool chair would have been really cool with red and black and the you know, the Deadpool logo on the back. I would have definitely gotten that, like, no doubts. I wouldn't care if it was like bright red. I like Deadpool. That would have been my chair. But Batman's still good, man. And it goes with the theme of the stream, right? There's comic book characters popping up there in the corner. When the bullish and bearish indicators like that come out, they're in like chat bubbles, right, from comics. So it keeps with the theme. I like that. So that's why I also went for that chair. Tika Tiwari. I'm not sure who he or she is. It's not about the money, it's about sending a message. The Joker. Yeah. Also, ha 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 ha. The Joker. Also Bitcoin. Yeah. Oh man, so cool, man. It's been such a great night. I think I'm about to sign off. 4 more minutes. We'll do it at 12:40. We'll call it a stream. My back's starting to hurt now a lot, so gonna get out of this chair, go lay down for a little bit. I still gotta clean up charts, so it's getting really late, man. Really appreciate y'all for being here, guys. I really like this stream. I like doing this, so thank y'all for the awesome support that you give this channel. For reals. I think you're going to be up there for a while, man. I don't think anyone's going to come anywhere close to that in the short term, man. Yo, False Flag, thanks for being here, man. I appreciate it. Yeah, I'll catch you tomorrow, man. I'm still going to be here, so I'm going to start signing off. Guys, thank you for being here. This is Theater Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here tonight for this awesome stream. Again, to everyone that's coming here today and just being here, I'll tell you, thank you very much for that. Thank you, Clyde. Again, guys, thank you for joining me tonight. This is Theater Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. I hope you have a great Wednesday tomorrow. You have great trades and you take profits and have a profitable day. Again, I wish you all the best always. Thank you for joining me tonight and being awesome supporters with the views, with the likes, with the subs. Thank you for coming in. Luck very hard. Thank you, man, for the kind donations. Madison, thank you very much for the donations as well. Craig, thank you for the donations, man. Cozy Isaac, Curly Zoo, the Bitcoin Mob, Alex, Jack Proc, Jorge Carranza, Mamba for Life, Montera, Arslan Marzu, American Infidel, Guy Freak. Thank you all for the kind donations. Soka, thank you for being here and all the support you give to this channel, man. Jake, thank you also for being here, man, and all the support that you give to this channel. I really appreciate y'all. Bring Facts, thank you for being here, man, as well. You always stay in and hang out. Brent Prozer was also here earlier, man. Thank you for coming in. Again, guys, thank you all for being here. I appreciate y'all. Thank you for the kind support. Again, this is Theater Crypto. I'm your host, Mark. Remember, all the information that we produce here is for entertainment and education purpose only. Don't trade based on what you see here. Not financial advice. Again, if you like what we do, talk about crypto to your friends, to your family, and to your coworkers, and let them know that we are here. This is Theater Crypto. I'm your host, Martin, and I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of Theater Crypto. Until then, taking trash. Thank you for being here, man.